Funshia mubi ekoso wo eye emrahye bedwafie na edom kuma e wo emrahye bedwafie e na won mo ye sanse ntwofo nhie mu no fa eye swami interchange ni asanteman projects ahodo a na se ekoso ba swami interchange specifically won mo edi hu enkomo na nipa na wodi animu eye onimnyamfo asenso boache ebe se oba Facebook insha 104.5 join your Facebook na yentie no kakra na KuroYiMuNsem no medimu nkomo.
This government deliberately deprioritizing projects initiated under the MPP administration in favor of projects we can label at its own. If so, it is not Ghanaians, not political opponents, who will bear the ultimate consequences. Want to deal with why Kumasi deserves better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation, modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Short-changing Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, I want to emphasize that the Swami Interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Swami Interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparently with Parliament and the people of Kumasi and Ashanti region in general on the way forward. Kumasi deserves infrastructure that reflects its national importance, not half solutions justified by selective constraints. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you.
Isra
104.5
we onimnyamfo asenso boache Bantama MP. Of course, Onukuroya ebeye Roads and Highways Minister from February 2024 after Nanado some reshuffling bi ema ira Kwesi Amoakwanta ni predecessor eja echi emano. Na this project Swami Interchange no be say maka ho asem wo ha. Sa interchange hu project no Kwesi Amoakwanta ene hyase a ole eye ehun nsem project no ho nsem wo parliament a Rose Committee transfer ehun nsem nyina 2022 ena wonum Rose Committee the report ba mountain na report no na that screen is no report no kire se Rose Minister Kwesi Amoakwanta Tuesday 19 July 2022 and wode sa eye project no nsem to parliament enim na wono hyase eka ho nsem ma committee no agitumu se ye hia 140 million euros enunti na ehu hia se wono ekoje eye ebesia bi loan bi ni ade committee no acknowledge ni nyina na oba the next eye page no one ochre fa enoma enhyehyeye ewom ni se de ebesia ye no nyina sika ye de beto noma o hwa 23 million euros e beto general items ene kwan ye befa so e be ye kwan ni nyina bra Facebook insha 104.5 de be hade into the scope of work earth moving demolition na e be koso a manfo se adan ana no ma esisi kwan ya ye bebubu ni nyina agu ni ade nyina bibia wom ni enhyehyeye ne ka ne ade ewom nyina na wo bomu ede amaw no na yegusu a yehwe fam yade yetwere yade hu adesua enura me ne wo hyase fa eye de yefre no absence seizures no ho ana se yebeka no petit ma adwemu apomuden mu nkasa mu ni ade no abodie mu nyansa pemu nim die mu ni din a yede frɛ no no na medical mo ate ase akyerɛkyerɛ bebree eku a ɛhyɛ maka kyerɛ sɛ fam yade no yɛwɔ mu ahodo na yɛahyehyɛ na ekuakuo mienu no yɛwɔ de gyina adwene ne fa na yɛwɔ de yɛka adwene ne nyinaa nti de aduru so yɛ de yɛka adwene ne nyinaa yɛahyɛ aseɛ with de yɛka no absence seizure no enra sɛ wo mixe ya this week yɛhyɛ aseɛ on Monday nti wobɛtumi akɔ no ahwɛ ɛyɛ de yɛtwa mu no previous episode no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ me Facebook page nso Barima Kofi Dawson okɔ me Facebook a wobɛhu ni nyinaa nso ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛnɛ de a yɛde ka ho wɔn sɛnkyerɛ ne yɛda ne ho adi no ɛyɛ sɛ apart from sɛ wobɛhu sɛ ebi a nipa a ebi wɔ no so no aka kyerɛ sɛ mpempi no mfimfinhyi anan ɛde kɔdu mu hɔ no baabi ɛne taa hyɛ aseɛ na wɔn mo ɛtaa wɔ wɔn so saa no wobɛhu sɛ bi wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ dwumadie biara putupuru na wagyae sɛ nka bi a meyɛ show ya meka sɛ yɛ putupuru no magyae na ayɛ din sɛ ya te sɛ deɛ wotie ayɛ din kakra bɛ 5 to 20 seconds na afei masa asim na deɛ meyɛ no meyɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ awosuo bi kɔ so wɔ adwene ne mu mmeretia bi mu a ɛno no womfa w'ani hu agye sɛ ensɛnkyerɛni a ɛbɛyi na ɛbɛyɛ nsusuye anaasɛ yɛbɛtwa adwene no mfonyini a yɛwɔ bibi ɛfrɛ no EEG ɛno na wɔmbɛtwa ayɛ saa nhwɛmu no ahu sɛ wadwene no mu no ɛmu ahoɔnenie no sɛn na ɛkɔ waves no ne ade no sɛn na sitie de no no matimi de determine sɛ ade ɛkɔ so yi ɛyɛ ade we ana ade we enti pepi no ɔmo di dwuma bi a wobɛhu sɛ wapɔ so enti so wɔ class ɛna bi a ɔtra bi anase bi o office na all type bibi ana all tra ubu se putupuru na wajai mritie bi mu na asenani no eguso ehwe faako saa beye simafa enum ekɔ aduonu 5 to 20 seconds na asa aba no ho so na afi wasa ahyase etro aduane no wodi kura ubu se ne nsedem no na afi waposo for seconds asa de woni di no wohwe ni din a obo ni din kura wonte wonkasa ho tel se saa awoso na ekoso wa adwene mu seizure no ebejai 5 to 20 seconds na empempi no ya na eta edi ejisa no ma nyina ekoso a kai uni se de wo ye bia no eya no wotimi jai for saa emre no ansa na watwa so ntentem so ekoba ne saa no wo hu se ohaw bi ekoso enye ne ba akoso na imum etoa so ni mprenu so etoa so de kono ano a na ekire wo se ohaw bi ewo ho na wamwani etumi akɔ ho nti akyerɛkyerɛfo na mo nkwada mo ta hu saa haw no omunyi wo mawofo asutire na wo musomfo mo nkɔ apomden asoe na omunya mmoa a ɛsɛ fata na mo so akyerɛkyerɛfo no so hunimdie wo metumi akyerɛ mo sɛ kwan ambefa so amone saa mofra ne betena class wa hwe ya beka sɛ omu ade anase bi kura na naso yɛ den ana bi a wo frɛ no man instruction a wontie but na ohaw ene wonamu but ono no ntimi nka nkyerɛ sɛ ohaw sei ene wonamu which SET ni edition 104.5 so koban fatilo edi agudi mu nsem no edi toaye so na afedi aka kyerɛ nyina no wa body amaye ebe
in the process maybe say promo code ayedian no about Insura FM ahye ebasa automatically no ye chew £5 and €5 and you more Europe so America na Canada ye chew $10 for free o send this cancel yento we tap send it there no fee
hey meje se wo kan yo tap send papa no
yeah ojo what's send this can okay any am check them some fro Kaish soon tap send party jack mama we asian kan you hey me daba
afa pacha mama fro
he na kwa oni abri say
maso ya yehiro nana
na den
se ba bia meti ye tumi o na me wo fa send me sika di nkan wo de kosi wo business nipa kura discount so de ba yen so a me koyi a ehun sem bebre afa kwa do mo busam sem ay transaction ho da
Debbie enka chipra ka cho offer say on download tap send so download tap sender or send this come away e be about say mobile money and our bank account simple
tap send
yeah tap send now okwen tap send there we are safe na ba bia obia so wo Europe and America Canada so kura Android o so kuta iPhone o and once we download app na to phone so in the process maybe say promo code ayedian no about Insura FM ahye ho e basa automatically no ye chew £5 and €5 and you more Europe
So America na Canada, yeah, chow, $10 for free. Oh, send this council, yento Top send it there, no fee.
Hey, they say okay, top send.
KuroYiMuNsem ya boabo no ena no pay ya jene nyina de board magene so premium sports on KuroYiMuNsem sima eduade anim na poso nko a ena no pema tena sima se kunya medene nyina e de board magene so no pemdi e Jonathan Esiedo betuma from Sokobon Fatlo Steve Zanda no koso amandaruma ena mo bo mechirem ensem do supia na Black Stars enkomo warum se Samson Asante kodako interim coach opina je fana Prince Owusu enua ono kotoko media team no adidi nkoma medi mu chenchemu nyina enso so ebetimi edabramo beba chone portman kana betwa betida mehro e mananya betano ezan se wono nko a ena wotwa betna yama welcome bonus up to 2000 Ghana cedi na yasa ma aka boost amultiply we win no na bebia timi aye kama edam wudi na break and can etwosi kanom e the amount say aviator anase any sporting event be mehro twa betno awo betano you phone nebo www.betano.com.gh na bebia entimi anya kama inform what can put see ya ko na meka de bia meka cho se e fa kwantene no so ne fa tu kwan no ne ko bo na komo ni bi man kon kwanten fa usika en ko kuma kona shima bia man nju usika ndi Ebis Gold Group amadaroma and a World Cup here omodi yako I will take it once and some baby I will be the na will be the nina a special package at the mouth your standard your corporate economy and of your corporate business Michelle faces here. Why have been so World Cup number coming quarter ring this year? I was 0537 804 885 0537 804 885 and I said 0545 995 223 0545 995 223 Ebis Gold Group Amadaroma and nobody across USA, Canada, Mexico. Now World Cup, and so come na koma na bebia timi aya kama sem ana pa bia make sure so breakfast no ebe milo san say eno ena wodino mu eno ena vitamin D asemu ma abofo no cause make sure so na breakfast no e milo pe no so kwa djuma make sure so breakfast no e milo na bebia timi nya kama entimi emfa emamo tantam so yenhye ensemasi enfafi Black Stars enche bia ena GFA the technical team bi erika coach efuno Twodo Desmond Ofe ena John Pinto and assistant coaches and so etimi edamom na urama kasama for edama GFA ayo opinion from Henry Asante na we say say na mo di bia kan won ma Ghana for obi expectation echo I say what can put the echo the thinking kan echo anim na be bia so etimi aye kama you go to Henry Asante
Even without enhancing the technical team, when Ghana goes to every tournament, people are expectant. Expectations for me will never go down because we have a partisan crowd. We have a crowd or we have a people who love football. They don't care about excuses. And it's not as if we haven't done it before. We've done it before. We did it in 2006 as the only African team to make it to the second round. We did it in 2010 as the only African team to make it to the quarterfinal. Unfortunately, it didn't go well in Brazil and in Qatar 4 years ago. So Ghana will always go into competitions with huge expectations from the people, and this for me will now escalate that level of expectations. But the coaches are aware. I met with Kim this afternoon. Alain was in Kumasi over the weekend. They know exactly what goes into tournaments like this, and sometimes we also see the comments on social media. But we believe so much in this new team. We want to believe that they will be able to put a very strong team together. We go through a beautiful preparatory phase and then go to the tournaments to excel.
I know I can some for Edema GFA. We are sent to June and I will tell you, young fool, my friend, to open up for a refresh. I know any Black Stars technical advice on a film or say GFA director of football. No opinion, none weekend, no MTLF Cup. Big game between me, the man of Samatas, no, or Kobana Nakoma, and what TNA Park, and what Takwa. No opinion, or call order to just say. At the quantity of GFA opportunity and Ghana to qualify for half corner and a GFA person channel Manchester. So no more in a World Cup when to me Parampa Bino and no more for me and my blasters and energy pa. You go to open now. You're from Wilfred Schiffer.
Black Stars or Ghana lost the qualification for the Cup of Nations in Morocco, and the president he called me. And we have a meeting in Manchester, and he asked me, please, you want to help us? And for this position, advisor for Coach Odaatu and director of sport or advisor. Was clear. Well, I'm happy about this. Ghana have a big name. The heart of the football in Africa is in Ghana. I was 3-4 years in Cameroon with the golden generation, but Ghana is special. Has many good players in Europe now. And Antoine and I know Yeboah by Eintracht Frankfurt in my time. Ghana is football, and we want to come back for number 1 in Africa.
And no air blasters technical advice opener for the refresher for NL Tinekano or Cotois. I can say a local league, goalkeeper for Benjamin Asara, no pan washana, or was a branch and also a good year pa. Coach James Sapon say a technical team that Bonamon for Senator Dawson at the end of the be when a normal cry. Na a TCO football move, you could take Coach James Sapon Shapiro.
I have bonnet some coupon by. I have bonnet, but because Oko outside world now. Yeah, it's the blue. What I said, I have you hear this other. It's a bus and I could promise. But I'm saying it's in order because and I'm going to say, and I'm saying if I say boosted his name, we call it. Of course, the selection of coaches, and your problem. They playing body, no, you perform an about for the ticket back, but I don't know. Maybe I have no comments about that. But the fact is that we should get very good players. I am because we're coach, that's the players in the ball. What I said, there's something like that's wrong with it.
And no Shapiro and out in the Canadian for the man. Now you're finishing of Fantablos, Kumasa, Santico, Kubabu Kunaso here. Interim coach, I open your phone of Prince Owusu, Nanyama Kosera Kotoko, and there's a folk. And you bet me that 10 times an open. It is on my ready up and now started training. On my ready park, I could see House of Folk, Yamama Kosiada, oh Kumase, Baba, Nyara, Sports Stadium.
Yeah, I think what I would say, we are ready. We're starting training today to face House of Folk. The one thing I'll bring back to us, on the last game we played, we didn't have our way. Things didn't go well for us. We have to make amendments. And we're ready to work very hard this week so that we can close up the gap to get a win from House of Folk. When it comes to House of Folk and Kotoko, I don't count by what has happened before. It's the performance on the day, on the pitch, and how bad the other team wants it. That's what gives the results. So we are also starting to try and get ourselves ready for the game.
I know any Abusa coaches and all the supporters, no matter rough. And a coach is saying, no, also my japa, name Adobacan, and so Pomina Cho, Sansan Semina, CCC, going forward, no, a B NCBM. You go to Prince Owusu.
Yes, I think we are here for them. We are here to play for them to entertain themselves. And what they were looking for, we were not able to give to them. And so when they react, they have the right to do that. But I'm so glad nothing worse came out of it. But we just apologize. That will not happen again. So let's see the way forward. We can get it better for them every time we come out.
And no interim coach Edema Santico the Copina from the Prince Owusu and out in the Cano. And then there was some last 2 games I got to go more strikers 4. Dogo Yakubu, Kwame Pokubeyi. Albert Amua and after Donzo Morifin. Last 2 games, Omuntimi Shego, a day and away from us. Oh, Omodinoma Guakuma, Bibiabe Kama, and so Etimi Adama strikers and going forward.
Yeah, it is a concern. Definitely. 2 games with no goal in the net is a little bit concerned. So we are going to work very hard on it. We've done our program and it is in there that we have to spend some time by doing the finishing and the build-up to the front so the strikers will get some balls into the net.
And interim coach Edema Fantablos Kumansa Santico de Copina, Yafana Prince Owusu and Awotineka and Senator Supi, Nemum Emano and Shadania Fenosia 930, and Obequabe Jofuina Sinkunya near the Inshirapo for building the Casapano and so etimi at the Abremo. Nami Quadia and Johnson, above the Johnson, at the Fade. One gets a winner opinion Faru. I Kumasa Santico support Akasiapa, or Smith Sheriff from Tsunami so happy birthday good show. No cost one on your case. Don't Sabisumbia, every day, Emani Kama and Famau. Happy birthday to you, Champion Johnson. And a Pamidi Eddie Jonathan and Silberton from Sokoban Fatilo. May so na champion akokwa to aso de KuroYiMuNsem Jumedino etimi ede ablemo.
Fonhia mu bi ekoso wo eye emrahye bedwafie na edomkum e wo emrahye bedwafie e na wono mo ye sansentro fonhia mu no fa eye swami interchange ne asanteman projects ahodo a na ese ekoso ba swami interchange specifically wono mo edi hu enkomo na nipa na wodi animu eye onimunyamfo asenso boache Ebe so ba Facebook in Share 104.5. Join your Facebook na yentie no kakra na YeWieMuNsem no medimu nkomo.
This government deliberately deprioritizing projects initiated under the MPP administration in favor of projects we can label at its own. If so, it is not Ghanaians, not political opponents, who will bear the ultimate consequences. Want to deal with why Kumasi deserves better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation, modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Short-changing Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, I want to emphasize that the Swami Interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Swami Interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparently with Parliament and the people of Kumasi and Ashanti region in general on the way forward. Kumasi deserves infrastructure that reflects its national importance, not half solutions justified by selective constraints. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you.
Ishra
104.5
Wey onimanyamfo Asenso Boache Bantama MP. Of course, onu KuroYa ebeye Roads and Highways Minister from February 2024 after Nanado some reshuffling bi ema ira kwesi amwakwata ni predecessor eja echi ema no. Na this project Swami Interchange no bezimse maka ho asem ha. Sa interchange hu project no kwasi amwakwata ene hyase a ole eye ehonsem project no honsem wo parliament a Rose Committee transfer a ehonsem nyina 2022 ena wonum Rose Committee the report ba mountain na report no na da screen this no report no se Rose Minister kwasi amwakon ata Tuesday 19 July 2022 and wode sa eye project no honsem to parliament enim na wono hyase eka honsem ma committee no agitumu se ye hia 140 million euros enunti na hu hia se wono ekoje eye ebesia bi loan bi ni ade committee no acknowledge ni nyina na oba the next eye page no a ochrefa enoma enhyehyeye ewom ni se de ebesia ye no nyina sika ye de beto noma o hwa 23 million euros e beto general items ene kwan ya ye befa so e be ye kwan ni nyina bra Facebook in Share 104.5 de be hade into the scope of work earth moving demolition na e be koso a manfo se adan ana no ma esisi kwan ya ye bebubu ni nyina agu ni ade nyina bibia wom ne enhyehyeye ne ka ne ade ewom nyina na wo ba ase ho a Jeff calm down for me. Womo tro say about 15% of sika yehia no, but before then I say project no ebe lasted for 36 months. Na ehya September 2022. That is where NPP aban under Kwesi eye amwakwata as Roads and Highways Minister no. Wono jitu mu se Swami project no be hya September 2022 ene da ho no. Na womo chere say there was even advance payment guarantee. Sabre a committee no acknowledge we no. Na womo chere say provision has been made for advance payment of 15%. A wono accept within. Na sadie we about 10-page document and our report a committee no de ba bontin. Uhwemu a 2022 September na ese project no ehyasie. enti ekowura mu wɔ parliament na before say committee no eye na adwuma nyina de awie no kra na mo akwata di kan de akoto parliament enimu nti na parliament ahwe approve a loan of 156 million euros. That was in July. And that Facebook, or Facebook, July 27, 2022. And the Babontin say Parliament approve sa buying Bejisika purposely for Swami interchange. No. Nanado eba Kumasi in Ashanti region. Ebe kate sort on October 2022, 18th October 2022, and also the down. Afei efri hono aban ebuye nichie yenhunu wa Asante mantemu biem Swami interchange ho asem se ekose ba yenhunu ekọ eno na manfo hyase se ye kasa ho en kasa fidie so mekai na nakodwagya nto I was within here at 2023 wono mo hyase a na obo akiri na eno na nam so ma wuntumi eba bebo mpaye se Swami interchange or bom payama Swami interchange se beya ebeba so titi wuntumi bra Facebook aha na wote a o kasa asem
interchange. We are praying for you. The commencement of interchange become the reality, not cutting short. That is why we are permitting His Excellency the President of Republic that the Ashanti region people are looking upon him. It's not that they are not going to vote. They have already voted for us as it done in 2004.
Enti se wo hwe wuntumi na osu frɛ nanado wabom ho mpa ye se mrem no osu frɛ nanado se wo mrem go nanado be kate sword no ti no wo kan se no short cutting alone o kate sword no wie no ye hu mu biem September 2022 na nka ese project ne hyase enti ka by 36 months in 2025 no anka nanado mbe hand over ne de na nka overlays ahodo no ya ye bebre awi anka ka ba bi kakra bibia be street lights no ne nchenchen kakra bi o enso by 2025 January anka nanado hand over no ka expectation ne say ka project no ye wie kura dum pempenso anka ka bia light ne nchenchen kitinkiti ye de sisi so Bane Masunti wuntumi cried out. Na in 2024, ena nanado eti wuntumi esun se womra no obabe gina Asante mu ka kire ye se interchange no first phase no a ye beye no na nke ye hu se overlay no be miensa no de enam so o se 40 ye no ye ntiga miensa no de enam so a ye be hu se ewo ho na nanado be ka se e de kire.
Another important project in the Ashanti region is the construction of the Swami interchange, the first four-tier interchange in the Ashanti region. The project is progressing steadily. The 3 overpasses on the Offensive Road at Anumeja Magazine Road and Ebusia Kroa, as well as 15 kilometers of roads around the Swami roundabout, are some 40% complete. It is programmed that these overpasses will be substantially completed before the end of this year. Works on the main interchange have also started.
Enti ose project no ye be complete by the end of this year or kasane 2024. Ekufuado ene kan. Na omu free aban mu no. This was the state of Swami interchange. Abra omu free aban mu no emfuturu a na nipa na mu. Emfuturu a na nipa na mu. Bra Facebook in 104.5. Nebe hwe ade. Hwemfuturu a na nipa na mu as of that time. Oye se Swami interchange no will be completed by that time 2024. Behwe state anewo. Behwe state anewo. Na we ena minority na koye press conference na me bisa me ho me kai se me ne Yewra Sensobo achi ye interview ha. In fact, the drew baby nya banta kra. He was making excuses with say I yentumi anye because DDEP any IMF no explain, and he went on to say sena you need fast and you need the ending. DDEP no one de buy. Me akoko enam de buy na wan. Economy no one na run. IMF no one de eco shame. These are the questions we ask. In fact, senkane wo Ghana ho do a abanya waba wa bobesia pa ma wo man yeka eco soro kese pa was Nana Danko Egufuado. Bra Facebook behade debt accumulation under the various government. Rollins MI 3.9 billion. Kofo my 6.2 billion. Atanos my 26.2 billion. Mahama my 86.2 billion. Ekufuado MI over 619 billion. All free Sukrane running up to 700 billion because of the dollar exchange rate in Yadin. Nana Ekufuado ye pe abanya wonya sika pa say true besiani ade wonya sika pa Nana do Danko Ekufuado enti say sika no yentimi amfa bi se ye de behwe Asantemai roads Asantemai projects yetia apart from Swami interchange no kejetia phase 2 sika munya ye nyina bebrebe nyina no mo amfumani anhwe ho. And then now Asenso Boache stand say aban no ignore Asante development na Asante Mpuntu. Meanwhile, over 40 MPs are more Ashanti region. Upon sika na do besi award jini sika wonya nyina mo antimi anka mum anya press conference said you mu ye empusu na do am first carry bia me develop Ashanti region. But today mu energy no to stand in sa bre no sika kra ba bebrebe no mo ntimi ampushi aban no so won kaya santeman eye ne stronghold mpo Krofro market afari military market hospital Krofro market ni afari military hospital no ena Sewua hospital ni nyina mo ntimi ankai se sika bebrebe no a aban bi a wabaso aban a waje besia pa ni sika bedi ni nsem na nado mo ankai no so won fa meboaye. Over 40 MPs and betimi ayede da lobby bebre mu anya hwe. Now munya hoden kasa bebre te said ye mo do asanteman. Mo kasa te said ye mo do asanteman. The core is legitimate. Min kasa fra mo frese project no mu nwie no eye bone eye good. But mo amudi ani mu no you lack credibility, especially who Asenso Boache. You became road and highways minister. Bantima MP for 1 year, February 2024. Edekwa almost 1 year because Nanado handed over in January. Almost 1 year no. Went me and yes, ampushia bang to do what is necessary. And now when you're holding up and you Asenso Boache. Call now more calling the legitimate. And no crowd support. Munyai ma yen na yen force wa ban ni aban no yen keke mu aban no so mo nye engamo because you lack credibility when it comes to Ashanti projects sa aban nye over 40 MPs dia na mo ye kejetia phase 2 kura mo ntimi am force mo aban am na incomplete. You were there and now we are holding your press conferences any ade. Say ensem ni bi wo ho awom munyai ma ye wate na yen ka ho asem ni yen pusu aban ma ne now you don't have any credibility to even fight for because what ukra Asenso Boache kra de wo sanso ba rules nim for 1 year won tumi ampusu aban so wontu wana mo en kanana do kan no en ka by that time I can say end of 2024 na nkiye hu bibi sei na nkiye hu bibi sei ekosi sen adene ye ho sa mo ye mo ho asa pretend say de mo do asanteman nti am to shame of yourself say ne mo ye dede for almost 8 years project you crash ase no anya 36 months na nka complete mo ntimi amforso aban say sika ebem ba bi fa bia no ye fa bi mebo asanteman na ha na ye stronghold muja ya wane tena so akoy ya hunhwe and you are here organizing press conferences. Shame on you Ashanti regional MPs no. Shame on you especially as enso boachi a wudi animu okra the rules na wo Insha 104.5 abusuya meba
Insha 104.5 FM.
Ofo nhia mu bi ekoso wo eye emrahye bedwafie na edomkum e wo emrahye bedwafie e na wono mo ye sansentrofo nhia mu no fa eye swami interchange ne asanteman projects ahodo a na ese ekoso ba swami interchange specifically wono mo edi hu enkomo na nipa na wodi animu eye onimunyamfo asenso boache ebeso ba Facebook Insha 104.5 join your Facebook na yentie no kakra na KuroYiMuNsem no medimu nkomo.
This government deliberately deprioritizing projects initiated under the MPP administration in favor of projects we can label artist own. If so, it is not Ghanaians, not political opponents who will bear
ena eko se wuwura mu a abakosem te sen yekoye chikakra na yehwa ade na asisi etwamu eno ene yebehwe ho asem bri oko wachi a on 11 February 1990 after 27 years Nelson Mandela eto prison because of apartheid and sema ekoso no ni nyina ne se South Africa unmi se ye wo mo ho ye fufu se abrofo no ene ye wo mo ye tuntum na abrofo no kura wo mo ye kakra bi no wo ma dwen se wo mo ehye bibifo no so ne ade a wo mo ne di bibia so ye se ye ma bibifo nya twaka bia wo mo ne ade enam so ma Nelson Mandela ne enkofu bi e ka ho a wo mo ye wo ma dwen se sa no ma no wo mo empress wo na bibifo nso be nya twaka ne ade no Nelson Mandela yadini kotumu adem 27 years 11th February 1990 ena wonomo eyi papa yi epie na eno ena asha asiese ema ebibifo nso enya twaka ewo eye South Africa ema animu na Nelson Mandela ebra yi no na motuo ne nhye ne wo mo ete na chi a wontumi kuku wanimu anam so mo beye mampani wo South Africa wo yetuntum the first black president upiem was South Africa India history wo yetuntum ekire wo se wono mo hye won so che pa na South Africa etumi enya ne bibini mampani a odi kan ewo ne mamu Nelson Mandela ewo history power South Africa ene ye de kai dia na che say 11 February 1990 and omuyi no a free prison after 27 years of imprisonment KuroYiMuNsem eno no na uko Egypt nso a Mubarak na ono ye mampani ewo Egypt na papai osni Mubarak yi wo hye wono mo so a ma che say etuo ne ketasehye ne no ma na ekoso Egypt na no weden mamanfo ne ye protester no weden pa na sa pressure wo di see eye mampani ne so wo mpani biem ne wo ye ne nye no papa no on that screen so no pressure wo di see ne so said ye wo ye ne nye no etiese wotimi efri so na sa pressure no within some few days papa yi esifem ono resign as president eno ekre say nipa nso timamufuo nso wo bi ka wono nso push pressure ewo mpanimfuo so a eyeye ntubo nsamanfuo ye protest ne ya TSC mountain ne ye pressure ni nyina no ekire se etumi mampanimfuo tie sanse bi wanu mu a se mpanimsi wo muna je yede ma wo sere so je yede ma nti duru ba bi age se wo muna na wono mu pressure wo di see ne so ma on 11th February 2011 Hosni Mubarak or resign as president of Egypt. Na Pope Benedict the 16th, so kind of pay over 600 years to his time, or no baby poop, Catholic poop no, or no ni poop or step down wabra we mu akunyano so. Or no, na there or they resign now or they step down on the way. There or they step down, it is said NBC 11th February. That was 2013. Enche bebre. Ono na enwu ewa akonwa no so. a wono ankasa esi fam efiri akonwa no so do owu 2022 ya 31st December 2022 ya no but 2013 11th February onwa resign say onye pope ni biem ebeye historic in fact ne ebi nhyedan sida ewo Catholic wono asafo ni mu a ekoye nsem bebre na ewiase nyina ne yeka ho asem oba Ghana ha 1951 Dr. Kwame Nkrumah big election ekoso a Nkrumah party no ewiniye na before independence no victory ni na ma kwan ama Nkrumah etimididi animu na ade a so Kwame Nkrumah party no a ewini major election in Gold Coast no a historic on the 11th February 1951 and we course na 1974 so universities you closing it down unim say you closing down universities in Ghana there because na military for ne di say adwuma no Ghana military government that time shut it down major universities as students near protest say enoma nkoyi ahochewum shut it down the universities ebeyen sim bebre e wo Ghana ha say na ehun nsem no nyina no abakosem ye de koyachia ye kai no ma si atwamu we abakosem e wo yachi today in history yankodi dwa kakramra Lawson Herbal enupano abadwaso na uhia Lawson Herbal na watumi anonom na aboa wo paaye bra bibi aboko de
ya adum akokwa oboye bobo e de free yen e de adum yen ti eye
right
ya adum ya akokwa na
agree adum ne pai boye ho ye pa
na akokwa
the vice man
chairman
bra ekoye
oh ya adum ya timi abai de
na se dem bra any day na se bibi a ho de
akokwa sabe kan na nyame adum ne nti
Lawson delay man capsule
ya nkwane ahoden nkwane de adum mo ahoden na aka de didie ne yenom no na echere alongside apodin search ba konkroyen frame a ne bo dafo ma break girls atumi yeden eka no Lawson Herbal products no nyame adum free ho no so na ka ho a abo echi dom ama ehwan ya de akokwa
right enu nso de ebenum
enokre
emu nchechire so hia
enokre
tifie fo nkaka
enchechire ya de hia akokwa
enya azem geto
enokre
fie nkaka
vice man de na ochi na ose da bi na ochi de me ntu kwan
yeah
me bana ya be na so na sementan tere me ho bi ba ko sha control so ya continue
ai wonde otutu
kwan pa na control de ya ne so ko ne so
yeah sure
ni na ka ho bi
ompeni force ma wa so ye de
oko ejuma no so mra
ti we beti he ya meka se mi wie ya obo matiko
na wo kwa no
na me kwa no
eni ye ne ntem we
yo man Kofi Dawson akokwa no pay yada wase yema insure FM etiefo nyina chi wo Ghana ne mpotemu dia bebe wo be yasafa na nyina no ewi abo ayamo ha ade asa ayamo ajo na yenkai mo se ogefo bosome no ne da toso dubako afem pimienu ne aduonu ensia na ochi ne finimfi na ewuku adadofo wodi die eti say na wonnom eti say na wonna eti say utumi da ye die enkwada ma de achi no seka hoden ye den esiso na so honam shara ngeden enye oye wa wonyare aso shara ngeden entia pomini udidi late night ana anajo edidie ayede eda ema proper digestion tumi ngeden enkoso ipa wocho ya didintem akokwa and then can send me I'm being very particular about this afi so sugar onko cheke ya ipa wocho ko na ko cheke
ya hwemman
obipi so cheke ya ipa wocho ko na ko cheke o lipid profile cholesterol ko na ko cheke umudro your weight kona kwade ko cheke oye bema o PSA o prostate specific antigen ko na ko cheke ebo akokwa ebua o sabio bimem nko na yetwe yade asa na yade yakwa sabia manke na ebua
abranche bia moka Ghana nko the Bible
especially oshigano a healthy sugar level range between 3.9 and 5.5 abebua pa mwani ku ho bre bia said edaye pre-diabetic range from 5.6 through to 6.4 and then pre-diabetic and I'm power show or diabetic from 6.5 upwards yen
as a woodum
you keep in the good range akokwa sabe was it chebe koso akunya diabetes dear and ye account the carbohydrates so ka yeden the boy the starchy foods no fufuo banku abetie yehuo bayira pesie manke yen no yesterday you hear more energy there you be na but unyina o shara nya de gidi abro so bi mo some 40s econo mo me ante camps ne so
yes
we do phone to me nu a ya den di baako amon kwantre na ya jimionu na ma to so gene nuaban ya den and no so do na die mu by way of education Dr. Lawson chain manu yewura kan kire mu mana kokwa
yes
anu free wa obedi di ye na obanum ye na obeda ye apomoden ni search ba kron I am from na ne bonya den no Lawson herbal so products no especially Lawson herbal mixture Lawson herbal mixture
ehu hia fishia no dumi no de kro
and the boss monkey and I was be church at me the whole West Africa this man some ko jane martin was
sir
the whole West Africa
oh yeah the fufro
na and no betia me na chiro na me ko da no tilom
and you see enko jimra
mara ko kwa West Africa nyina malaria dra 2025 omafo no ye edi ho ada sex we di adro ye no mo ha bia nya den na metri no e come Lawson herbal mixture odofo nipa wo chow efrede kri men twe yade boban ma oni padua na si yade kwan usi yade kwan no boban ma ni padua adro ade bambo sokoma ni padua no aya man me adro Lawson herbal mixture
emfinhia dumienu ade kro
na ya no nko a ya ho na mutimanke akono
ewo ho
ana tinka o yemu hwede na woda pa ya no said the word that ye no said the word that ye no na sabio yere down chain na okru down chain a na oti an kukumu a na benuda wo hu ye wo sio mo akokwa sa benuda ba akokwa sha se ho na be pagya no
se kina barifo se ba ko ya no mienu ode
benu so mia na emo no ebia sebe meka se no bibinti orefiun kakra okoba na nchen ana posori ya una say bibia ya SC a infection dia o best herbal product for infection 2025 a Lawson Law Care mixture
e man merima duru
Lawson Law Care mixture
emfinhia dumienu de kro
ama ya to pale kwatrefo di the virgin doctor
we say e man se ya de giade
the virgin doctor
ya de giade
oba infection how kwa dia say bacteria dia fungi dia yeast dia e be clear na be correct ya Lawson Law Care mixture na bema dia manke say onim no
prekope
ne yemu a what the Law Care be yunsu na what the anum topaye Dileman capsules
emfinhia dunwotwe de kro no
Dileman capsules bemme biawo esedu go chekon kwade yade ho yade ni ho bambon apomodania ho denti fa loka yesu fa no Dileman no
akwa na man se di gina yo
2026 yeah but buying I'm a prostate cancer enlargement inflammation prostatitis se be ye da mama ye shone so Jose sembe koyie amogu so torti edinkem onchen ontiawa eno e pa wocho fa local ye usio fa nom Lawson Dileman capsules na odem na ye transfer juma dia we ye mpegya juma dia ene miriketuo ene enkotuo dia eduro de bamama sisie no ama ho de ye peya no fa local ye usio manke na fa nom Dileman capsules
emema di gina yie
na bala frefre e jiba die mu akokwa e drop so ko tobi na wonnom yade bi tete ho de obeto o de frɛ yema formula no the Kikis formula the Kikis formula the Kikis formula. What told you? You about come here so on 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 and a 0248 619 999 0248 619 my silencia man kebesum why is man nine but until then no memory asanka the boyos man and even ogidi to dogidi brown also agree in a week when I get transfer production from Monday to Friday now that's almost 20 good hours
right
almost some no I lost in delay man capsules. Monkey, what am come round?
Now, I say, I go qua a man, you be jay, you be jina branny. Now, yet, you man said, yes, ne fata. I lost in delay man capsules now. Boying, I mean, a coat to jum, ye sisim, ye perchy, I yet dinning, now yet ama, na timia ye jumani, and unti and a doctor loss in chairman, Yura, penny, quantra for cofabai, was saying. Men cancer mema yenya fish ya do what we adeko 18 years adeko no say and nay se bibia bekoye na ojonso ebeba ye say the doctor kan no e bi nkem onchim na se wadwuma no so se be ma nyamede ma se brabaye no betimi ya ye
betimi abo adwuma de
na ye bebusa ko san se bra wawie do timi ye ani eti besram enu anie hwede wo kire di onimu anie enye de ehi anie ya meka sansem wo se fa mu so enso power me pacho a losing delay man capsules no mienu anopa abroad losing law care mixture no ana eye nsuo na afi enumere odidi wi a meet dunu machi wasa ye ne pepepe adiaman e basa na mahoden no eye mienu miensa moho ede kor na ema no formula bi o mo so kan ye say ene losing law care mixture ama o my virgin babunu mu akama hoden no agina pintin no mesra wa emema no ye gina brania na ye timi de yehia wo mo etine oyoba ahemfie ho nye na na ntimi nkotena sindi asem nche wa hu se nsuo bi gu sabi hu se enka bi ba ana se niam bi mfitamfita atisa to na nanom woni mu a e ka ye ka kire se ye nyina yesiesie hu yen aya losing law care mixture ye no ana ye nom na boye ayi sa niam we se nyina de afiri ho me pa cho ya na wa nkasa woro wa mo ase na hu se nsuo bi asusom ana se ensawansa bi agwahemfie a bomodian na no bi na akokwa ye pedura be ye adwuma free etiri so abesi ye na ase entini mu be da ho yakuma bebo kama malaria fever ni nyina be free ho a ye losing herbal mixture baby atun aduro bia okwa onsa ebeka bi ye di commodity ya 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 0248 61 99 0248 61 99 ye call Lawson Enterprise e wo kwada so e DVLA office no e de hwe animu oba pa beki oho enkwantanan no so asante mampon eni ahimfie ne de hwe animu sewa herbal shop George the man me yawo yakọ atonsu dia e Careflow Pharmacy abi eton oduro bia akọkwa o maimu kwa o sabeka bi hye no so se oba wa fafuro do ma kwada no for de ontimi enum bi be ma wonya mfihia du nwotwe losing dilemma capsules ontimi num bi ye yo mu firim dia o se ye num wa ana enum e ho na ase no so ye
akokwa when ya let quickly now no Auntie Edna ni penefo boy mi fera na ye no eba so na Sunday oba penny abeba ntwiwa eboso gina da do fo ase mo beta ye chi na Sunday na mi enshamo do bia ase na masepa
enso ye na ase agree. Thank you very much. Ya behwe yes Nature Smile Dental Clinic try make akra Nature Smile Dental Clinic and so ewa ha behwe yes apomuden ni bibia na etumi akoso ye panti Nature Smile Dental Clinic openi akwaba
ye nua
bibia abokode
nyame adom
Nature Smile omunyina ho ye
nyame adom Nature Smile bibia ekoso boko
ye de nyame asepa esia pomuden ho nsem nim se dodo na kono ne other branches ne they are coming there.
Yes.
Next we be sua bibi kakra
yo ene no ye beye afutuo kakra bi de ama ona wetie efa wose ho.
Okay.
The Nature Smile Dental Clinic ye boy homodin pa se anka enipa beko wom no ana se ubedru mra ehia se ose no nso eye adwuma ma no nanka eso abamfaso ama
right.
na anko yese ebra wa ye adwuma kodru mre bi a nyame ahira wa wo pese udidi no saa mre no na ese no nso bedi ohwamo se kire se eni aduane we nemum de aduane we because ebra wo ya brand a wo ahoden no wa amfa ese no anya adwuma ene no me pese ye hwe dental braces eye enade a ye digi ese so saa de we say no abaye ade a me pese yesua ho ade efrise nan say I've been following issues and as talks be social media me hu say ase enembre mu na say emrante ne mabawa na abaso no bebre na ekwa bedo ade bi abaso ayefre no fashion braces enti obia pese ode dade egu ne se so ne se no enye hwe problem bia eni ne se ne so nanso no ose opese ye de dade egu ne se ne so ana say oye braces adodo na afre no fashion braces yansha ne nso say saade ya yadigu eseso no enya bibia kekentina nyame ma nkrofoni mde say yemfa adewe enwuse so nti use bi gu obi seso a eye niema mienu pe isi da say oni akro no bibi ana awo na num ana say bibi na abesin no mu a yede correct ana say oni akro no pese ode bo life na ene no pese ye hwe wona wode ebo life no eye nwanwa say enam say nindia ani suatra aba bebrenti no eye obi fese opese ode dade egu ne seso na osere a yehu se dade e won seso the misconception is say ebinum adwen ye omo se egu seso a na ekire se jama waye yie anase wu osika sana ebre adwen ye omo nti enipa bebre ko do se especially mrante ne mabawa no won ko do se wode saade ne bibegu won seso ni tufu se nanze mi follow bia ko hunu se cheze obi kura timitimi fie na amanfo akosto na o makoto saade ne ayese bracket na obo se eniema bi sisi so a eye ne fe ono akwa okosto no akoto ebi 100 cedis ebi 50 cedis because die na dwen ya na ne se me de mpese ye de bi to mese so because ade american no enipa ne bi tie frame o frame na sa na se o fra adwuma na se ye kirechire mu akire na dwen ya se ene ade mu de ende ye de ade ukire no mu koduru abi anu o se ene ese se na tie yɛhwɛ ne nso sɛ adeɛ bia a yɛde gu se so anaasɛ ɛkɔ wanum no nneɛma a ɛwɔm ne dɔɔso firi sɛ ose na nkasa anaasɛ wanum no ɛyɛ ntɛsoɔ ne nneɛma a ɛwɔ wanum ne nneɛma a yɛdie nti no ɛma biribi bia ɛwɔ wanum bia no ɛkɔ wo yam nti sɛ wotira anyɛ yie na sɛ woanhwehwɛ a proper dentist anaasɛ a qualified dentist a ɔbɛyɛ wanum ho adwuma na wadwe yɛ sɛ unia bi dadie bi akoto ne se so okoto no wo store bi onyan 50 cedis nti usu kwa akoto bi ayenhya ne so se esen no damage no damage a utira anya yi a onya no se de nyankopon de ma wo ni biem hunu se enye bibi na wo de correct braces ayeye no de enti ayeye ne se through orthodontic procedure no ye twa x-ray ye wi ane hunu se ose no efifiri bebre e wo wanum se de nyankopon hyehye esen na ebia sisi no nsisi yie enti no x-ray no na be kire se saa niema we se ne betimi de correct saa de na ma na ye nam so ama a dentist e de ahyehye esen ne so ama na mbo ye de ahyehye osen so no e say uko for reviews na doctor ni hu say regularly ade na wo de aye wo osen so no the purpose and answer but tayenti or the and a juma or the aye yan shan so say no ye won niema e wo say ekoyenum na utira anye ye na enam say ade aye for wadanfo bi akoye no akotena baabi na afa ebinum kra go to the extent say omude adhesive glues and as a super glue now or the assistant is sinfite aye friend NML so now or the saade no asisi so ama no yen channel so say sa NML no gradually na ekọ animu no afa obon say efiti ase say essay na kala na efiti ase say esesa enti nipa bebre timi ba ye ho no ma afa obehu no na akodro extend say ne gam na efiti ase say essay if we say materials ayede ye sa de na odi ato ne se so no enu kwa say nka ye sa enti anopa ye tu fo say wo de wo pese odi sa niema ne bi egu se so a eni akire say we ne de na afo enti otimi kotena even barbering shop na baba no aye bi ama no because say onim say afo one way here bedroom rebi no it goes to extend say e betimi am wanya kidney problems because I say materials na say dadia na wo wanum no e koso na o mene no e wo a lasting effect e wo yam e mo pa wutie ye ne a say wo se e wo problem bi a wo pese wo ye ho adwuma hu say e ye dentist adwuma eye orthodontic procedure eno na nya say wo tena ase a na nipa na hwe wanim say wo no me hwe wanim a we na fatal ye nya ne sa ye wo procedure ye de ye na ewie peye anopa ru tie ye say o sin problem bi wo ho ese no enhihye yi say problem bi wo ese ne ho a ehia say ye ho adwuma mesre say ba bia wo tie ye bia no Nature Smile Dental Clinic ye adwuma ye ne say ye hwe anumu with the right professionals a owonim de e wo say adwuma ne ho enkotena baabi nya say me pede afo ana say we ya ye bi ntin mahu eya me fe mesre say enya de e fa nyina na eye papa enya de e fa nyina na ebeboa ama wo nkwa no asipi ewo mu say wode de e fa chije so wan hwe yi a wode wo nkwa be se sasa de no ni tu fo say Nature Smart Dental Clinic Kumasi ya wakase Liberty Filling Station ne kase Farm Milk Depot no ehwe ni mu udu kono ngonso aye wo ho ana se udi afre 0539 83 93 0539 ya juma ye ne se ye hwe wanum na hunu se osenu enhihye yi na nam se enhihye yi ni ntino eniema ben ye ya ebeboa edumre bi kra no bitimi ba se me be braces na so no betwa x-ray ahwe eniema e wona num no na enye x-ray no enye braces no na ohia na mum no ohia something different
right
enti ye ma professional advice a ebeboa wanum ho obi akosha sa de meken ama enka abananum efri say adia no attrape food particles e dadia na de ahihye ne sene so enti odidi a na bia kokam ena eya ne yanso
right
so wutira anya yi a obeya saa mana kodru mre bia afa na sini nyina ase mesre say ese hu problem dia don't look any further. Just come to Nature Smile Dental Clinic. Kumasi ye wakase. And I said number media tuja debia ya di tuja no 0539 83 93 Udi frese enka ene womanum me ba ne sene mi twitwira emoja fiti asese efrimu ba me ba ne sene enhihye ye onyini nso ma hu se ebia fiti asese efifri hu me ni obi kasa ase ne ye no kire se enka bi wo manum ede na menye me se no me pesa me hye fashion de amanfo kan bi no na de na ebeboa me sa ne ma ni nyina ne ye beye ama wo nso wani age awie peye frey 0539 83 Nyamisha
oh show super in show 104.5 ebusia eba
oh yeah come on Insha 104.5
all right amansachi ame kwadwo bi mreku adwempa hene wo mo atrase bra bibi aboko de boko sanante e da okropon ase adwempa
champion nyame adom bi aboko
e da okropon ase
so ho ye
kakra ja
no ho ja kura unika pra de beboa no masa ho ne unika pra okay egba mu ya no me ka omo kapra uobi ose uobi na se akoko asem ne ka nyame asem ne ka akoko asem ne ka nyame ba asem ne na
ebi ya na ni da so
na me wo bisa na se agya ose
oni bi kura ntimi mboa no onu ni bia mi ntimi mboa no
nyashi
ori wa se mama ya
nyashi na ebra dane
ukuada on se midweek said the aya na
midweek kan na se loto mu
o machine dey sun
sa enam sika sun ye
emusu be du
emunye du
okay
emu kofi bra ne ko na nka me ka so bi kire o
ye mo akire
bra ne ko
chana waka kire
chana waka kire o abusiafo ene eye ukuada February da to so edu ba ko afimpi na be di akire aduonu esiamu ba bia wo bia ye mo akwaba e de wo ba afidikase so hwe bra na sima aduana nsia na abode apano nso ho yatena si de bokata no na poso ena yede ba be so mo edi ameje so mansa nyina chia me kwadwobe emriko no pa me ne
adwempa hene kofi mensa adwene papa na papa dwon kan
na ye free ensam no asedi akofi mafa dairy graphic de ubo ekrata no na no pa nsama wode egum wanim ha no edoso pa na Ghana mampani edaha ena mehu se opani a wono na so kopie mu otifedo mantama anom atwankonya omo nso oda ma no ewa ha na omo chia na mampani asema wo ka dia twemu nyina ne se ebra mpanifo esi gyina se wo hweboko mentebe ho ase esi ho wo mu etrase na omatoto na asudwie atimi esi wo na mekire boko mediation na mampani abama ne wa ha se adwumadi enu no sa kwan mu na wo mu na mu nyina no na ebinim still na omo entro mo ho ase ene entokwe kwa na ekoso ekwa wiase omubu nkunta no enipa bes wo ha ene edu enkro na omo ehwere omo nkwa ewo sa boko mediation mu a kata ewaba ho amane ewo enim ha na ewo enim ha ya akoya nso no na watwi a etwa mu ya wiye na ND sekretama so chiama yoku ne fa ewo ayawa so east omo ekoto aba ekodi panyina ono na ebedi omo anim sade ba ya ba election ebai obetimi akodi tuya mu omo na eba we no baba jama na edi enkunim ehun nsem sole dodo na katai abama nese enoda na empanifo etena asem no so na omo etena so no omo chemu se baba jama yakre no wonko na onko gina sede be ya yebetimi ato no so aba ewo ba election mu a katai wabo ho amane ewo anim ha na yesi premise fuel fund no sa ya nkofo pina no edi musika o eno na katai wabo amane echemu se aban sese no nani abrese kodom pa ene wode enhyeya emu adin egu akwam na ene wo bia premise fuel fund no wodo nsa bom awie sika die no ene odo party te emra no ene obedi katai wabo ho amane e the daily graphic the obokata no enim ha I'm sure from the obokata what to the daily guide and to or say Ghana's favorite newspaper no Ghana for papa munsem etie na what the ayama me gifty or what remains some from the adiaba na opanyini national service authority hono na odini dwumade wona na dan kwa kufa da mamu ni mu na oya be de chiri ache se no ototo nioma na odini dwumade ba na wie ye no ene anas ya we nya anas we yi ba ko ye friend sen manasi mo ono na ja okoduodu ma duodu ma no chem se sa NS wodum no djuma o ma ye wodum no enyasem ketwa sa na no ru ajondo mani mama osin krofo no monko no mo so ne hwede to omote so sa ma fo sori ye no ne ma gufom omoto afo se taka nyasem ketwa ma ye no ma etim no ma wase otima bi gift o wale mensa sa ye so ono so ka ho bi eti abonu ko adu sam no kase ye twena se de e wa sendi bia nyasem ketwa asem no high court na asem no eye oru agari ni mako ona ye ne lawyer a wo twitwade ade no wo chese high court wodum na nsem ni bi wodum a osu se wo so mbo achede ko eye o ma sendi bia kubata supreme court no mko do so nsem ni mu ye mantiase eye adwuma na so high court ni james o ma sa akonya na enye yi asem no said ye tie bia wa na ombedi asem no omudi wie na ntiase anya adwuma wa bese odi fa baby na atimi dia fa na atimi aboa etie no wasem da baka tenso abumu enchirimu ene anopai enu achi abrante friends afade kumi adodo na nim ni say friend abutreka wono so na asem wo so beka ye kodoa no se ja ye hwehwe ni nsem bi mu anase ne dwumadie mu na ye do so mu ano so tesi amane be ye man be no so tabiri ye asem no sa de kokoto a ene asem no kase wasiu attorney general sanso na yokofu so bi aka wo mo FBI omo so bi aka wo mo ena afa narcotics control commission omo so omo ka ho na just wasiu nkrofo paawo wo se wo pesika no shom Ghana sika no 10 million se yedi asem na so di bema sika akoto no nyema no na ohuni se ye chi no ekwan ya one ye fa so ne ye chi no enya kwan pa so ogidi se physical violence na just say
o say violating the right so
nti anu se ka ho ena o say ne nioma so na japade ekwan ya fa so kodo so mu no eno so ohuni se enya kwan pa so ye chi no kran so ye sa ma kom de no ya ma kom de no ensuo wanya bia no maduane wanya bia nifiti adopa ko me nwumre adai wona kum Yesu yey
tidina wo
ai
na dia be da Christ was FBI for no
e kwa fa so emi ano kawe no ye share wo se Ghana mremu no e makwan saa
omo hye so won kase
na enyom na se hye no eti no eno so tia mra
so de kokot
na we no so
abebonu nkro
ntoyi
ti anu asem no se baba jama so asem no akadada ye se NDC for che se wono anom de na eko omo nsesa no ono a se ga bi mo fresen ki ntwa ayi abanu mukura na ke enkoto omo so ono anom de na ekro eti eno so eho asem ewo ha mo se Ghana uhwe enuane a yakase food insecurity anache se enuane duru ba bia na ho ayeden ọmọ aduane a wase be udidi amen so hu eti omi se Ghana uhwemu a sisi ano ankontabuo no ahwiri akwa gina ohage chemu no eye aduasa nwotwe a chese
omu didi a omu men no
omu
no ai omunya bindi eho ode ma wo mu
ya asemu
ye adwempa hene ka ho
kojo ade ya woni ya mianye o isi anyame adaro ma komo sheda ne mesia o mu akombe ba no
eya na duane mo ode ma no onya bia de o ya odiburo so entu ko na se bia onya fufu a anke ntoa no ko bedi ba ko so odifo because ade che bia no onya ba ko ani so atase
right and you say KuroYiMuNsem
ma say ni nyane se mempese mafu be yekese simple
and now say
dem na hona fusu ha ya ete hona fusu
and dem ni wura ma ma say era Eric Opoku agric minister say enuane de bi wo ho o ma store bebre nti no because here say be 13 million people no be kokom de o si nuane de bi go
sa o ma bo ana
waka
edu hin
ti o mo kromo o mo hihye se idwa no betu nuane agum na o manya ba bi o be supply nuane no akọ wodwa edwa ahodo mu e be ya aban directives be na mu ha ti yere
ano no so be bo anuane don committee se eyi ana
enke be bo am
every year doctor free go to mi no be eyi ana ma wi ko do ko ni yo na eyi Kofi my father point there will go ekrata no na point de wo fa ensam do na ya na fa santimantem ha ma hu se eyi abas no di da nim ha enche bia e na soame interchange ho asem sore ye abaya na otwa mu ye sem ko be tia 4 ene ekwan a etoa so 9 NDC aban ba wo mu hwe di wo mu se da bi 2 pe ene ebetimi ho nsem asore papa na aka hu bi ama eyi NDC ema bi a wo mu ewo asante mantem manager wo ma tutu bi di ama ne MPs pa ewo esuame interchange nsem no ho kratia wa bom amane okata fa to so edu eba ko a Abbas wo da nim ha a wo hwe di no asewe monka bunu yanka maye bunu yanka maye eda mo to na mo ka de mo de monka wa no tumu ho ne nyama mo akate wa
yesi no
unti munu amana obi ba nya so aba wa se be de awurade nyakopo
o si unim ho anka ampro
anka si ampro
o sre ampro na your friend is saying KuroYiMuNsem mo kan NDC aban no se obeye 3 tier o ma be clarify
okay
say 3 tier and no mo the one na koto bo ankra side wa ko 5 dwaben no akopie ko abre ho no so nice o mo e kodo no fo ni ade ni nyina say Burkina tracks ni ade e fa nyina etimi afifa I mean that's the explanation they give but on say 4 tier no so ma ho no face foforo design no ya na ema ne ye fe na afi nso etrim ebiem
eno ne ye ka se ko
na
wa aboa ho
Yes, cars I can see no nanka omo yes ye for no e bi be omo ko divert afase ba bo ankra de ne ade ne da ho that they were plan mu that I say those rules no eso mutimi ye bi okay but MPP de medical kan enra me kan ho asem ha say omo kra de omo ni moral right
that's omo come no too because
ye omo di asanteman
I say freedom of speech
okay
yo o de mama ye me nkata anu ai na Kofi ma hu se mampani da ha no we hye mifugu ibi na mifugu a we hye na o che se Ghana ye nyina no edu kweda ye hye fugu enti ena me ba adwuma yi ma hwe mifugu pa ena me de ma betena ha enya asem ketua me ba ye na nka nya fanka Kofi from ye nim kombeka efenti o makoma no atum
enti o Friday ni so ye nne
me de Friday de me nim de ye Wednesday ena hye ha
difago meshi
timi de ma hye mifugu timampani se ukara bia no ye hye fugu emra adwuma na ba bia ekobia no ye hye fugu na ma hu se anim hia so katai wabo amane bi se ene de ya sa ene ukada ya ene Ghana president which mampani wafre emergency cabinet meeting se wo momra KuroYiMuNsem no ye ntra se ne ya ne pantum asibre esanse asem no ya kwa akira katai wabo eho amane ya wanim ha na aban ka chipe no Amansia West wono na ye chese ohwe manso potem wo kwan ya omu yi ni nyina onipa papa watie so ehwehwe se de dwumadie no esi ekwa the point the obokata no wabo eho amane ewani ekufa so
na se na kwesi so bo
NDC membership
registration okay omo start man for marriage
ntiwa opese wo NDC ni huna wakoje card ni bi na wonso no ebeboa etienko
the custodian the obokata no say fearless fair and reliable na nsem awdo de aba no GSS for no mo kire say sisi anu we Ghana ha no ma nipa mako opepem no we mpem dumienu nipa mako mpem dumienu we million ohun mpem no mum ni 1000 nti we opepem dumienu na ye 12 million
amaye dey
omo che so amaye ase nyina dongon nkrampan ko a wo kom de won se kom do wa se wa ya se adwe
ene o ka hu
enya me media bia bacho nya me media ni bia
so ase mi ko ka do fo ekese ti me fui obi de yesu te obi
enya me media bia me media ko
se nya ne die ni
ndi kom ne o
ya kom ne me da bi kom ne me eti eno wansem e wa hado mo ene anopei na owie ya no o kire se emfonyi bia wotwa ba nya efe pa unse wo mom je mu nyina obi anim ya sidie na ya MPP amanyoko ni ma no ana wo madi ahyiamu awa hanomo ene wo kyese we no MPP mranimfo ene ankane wonum na hyebedwafo no mo ana wo nyina to kasa ko mo abomo Dr. Bawumia na ebo maba so say ye mo ya ade mo ya adwuma de aboa me ene imi na mi tu frank ade amamo etimedie me ya dudu nyina eja ni nyu obi amfirim
ebito sa
biamra
tu se wo
wana nto se yo ya ti akunya so kama so obi to sa eti ade anya sam ketua ayi ahove brodi aso ha o
hoya
ayi domi kwablenya ayi broni Adwasafo ona wa ha no so bright people ni kama omu nyina ye tuntun ono kwan ne de na
mo wa fe oba o mo eye
wa ha do mo na ti Ghana fo kire se Ghana se wo hwe mu pa ketaje dwumde kankan ne proye no yankunduru ba bia o asa adina sise kom saa ne yedodo no saa na ha adwene ho asem ewo ha ni otwa kokko akuafo bi aba ajesu no mati kokko na gu aboye si ohu ena omo ebo omo bo kokko no na ante ketinka mienu no msi ye we bolia
ye de ko hin
ya buru awie tu akogu apaso ata ma na wo no
ye de ko hin ye bikike bi awe
eti omani abri kokko akuafo achase ye do omoka ye ntia won tie do omo sere asem ya kan
eno na
okay
afre mu kabineti
eja ye twen no na de ode beba no so de ofre ayi putupurishia mu se ya na mu ode ti kokko akuafo na de atadwufo amete de why mamu nsuru ya wi a
kofi ya wi na wotena bo edu samre ya ba bia tadi na Barima Kofi Dawson obolo kese obolo bu wono na
eno de mfanto
obolo no
oga go bia no bese na fuya tum se ne de nana
na wana na fusu wa ha ye kan fura sa be kan me fu ha
me mpeta
na e obo fusu me ka ho
me mpeta e bon
form ya ye na ka si ya ya de ya
obo fusu me ka ho waso ati ase enya me kan sem pa cho
ro ata odi apa ro
me ro me ho ha
sisi fiani bi o
na u ko na ye Eric Inti yes so na ye municipal information officer kwada so na na woda Inti no happy birthday so
come on Eric ye chia wa no pay ye ma happy birthday all right e be share with you
yeah take us
No.
Yeah, Ojo. What's on this channel? Okay, any mama check them some from. Kaish, a soon top send party jack. Mama we are saying can you? Hey, me ndaba.
Ofa, pacha mama from.
He no kwa woni abri say.
Masoya ye nana.
Na dey.
Se baby ameti ye tumi o. E na me wo fa send miska. Di nkan wo de kosi wo bisu ni pa kura discount. Yo de ba ye nso ami ko yi a e ho sem bebre. Afi kwa do mo busam sem a transaction wo hoda.
Debbie. Enke chibra catch off say on download tap send. So download tap sender or send this come away. About to mobile money and our bank account simple.
Tap send.
Yeah, tap send. Now okay, tap send there. If you see fana baby obia so what Europe and America Canada. So kura Android so kuta iPhone and once we download app na two phone so. In the process you will say promo code AYDN. No about Insure FM asho e basa automatically no. Yeah, charge £5 and €5 and you more Europe. So America na Canada, yeah, chow, $10 for free. Oh, send this cancel, yento we. Tap send it there, no fee.
Hey, they say ukayo. Tap send. No.
Yeah, Ojo. What's on this channel? Okay, any mama check them some from. Kaish, a soon tap send party jack. Mama we are saying can you? Hey, me ndaba.
Ofa, pacha mama from.
In the process, you will say promo code AYDN. No about Insure FM asho e basa automatically no. Yeah, chow £5 and €5 and you more Europe. So America na Canada, yeah, chow $10 for free. Oh, send this cancel, yento we. Tap send it there, no fee.
Hey, they say ukayo. Tap send. No.
Yeah, Ojo. What's on this channel? Okay, any mama check them some from. Kaish, a soon tap send party jack. Mama we are saying can you? Hey, me ndaba.
Ofa, pacha mama from.
He no kwa woni abri say.
Masoya ye nana.
Na dey.
Se baby ameti ye tumi o. E na me wo fa send miska. Di nkan wo de kosi wo bisu ni pa kura discount. Yo de ba ye nso ami ko yi a e ho sem bebre. Afi kwa do mo busam sem a transaction wo hoda.
Debbie. Enke chibra catch off say on download tap send. So download tap sender or send this come away. About to mobile money and our bank account simple.
Tap send.
Yeah, tap send. Now okay, tap send there. If you see fana baby obia so what Europe and America Canada. So kura Android so kuta iPhone and once we download app na two phone so. In the process you will say promo code AYDN. No about Insure FM asho e basa automatically no. Yeah, chow £5 and €5 and you more Europe. So America na Canada, yeah, chow $10 for free. Oh, send this cancel, yento we. Tap send it there, no fee.
Hey, they say ukayo. Tap send. No.
Yeah, Ojo. What's on this channel? Okay, any mama check them some from. Kaish, a soon tap send party jack. Mama we are saying can you? Hey, me ndaba.
Ofa, pacha mama from.
He no kwa woni abri say.
Masoya ye nana.
Na dey.
Se baby ameti ye tumi o. E na me wo fa send miska. Di nkan wo de kosi wo bisu ni pa kura discount. Yo de ba ye nso ami ko yi a e ho sem bebre. Afi kwa do mo busam sem a transaction wo hoda.
Debbie. Enke chibra catch off say on download tap send. So download tap sender or send this come away. About to mobile money and our bank account simple.
Tap send.
Yeah.
Ayawasu East elections no se wokai se course no mapi no a enisi ye se bia fe na wo de wo te ho asem a elections a primaries a NDC wono mo ekoye ye di candidate ababa jama winning with with 32 votes no ahead of the next person awunya votes no bi kakra wo mu no Amina Adams no say oh hwe ne course wo elections ni mu a na airtime. In fact bra Facebook in Shra 104.5 na yenkaka ye ho kakra na de me woka no mabwachiri aka bra Facebook behwa de we bra cameras sisu a na wono mo eche televisions ahodo ewo Ayawaso East Baba Jamal, which he accepted or jitumu say on the chair.
In Shiraya fan. In Shiraya fan.
Enti we bra ye che televisions no. Na the other side nso a enkusua nyina ye che. And the allegations nso a eba say motorbikes nyina na che say ebinumu che fam ni other items ya eko eni sika cash. I the ma delegates da ye to aba voting day no. Na videos we nyina ba mountain and several other ones are delegates ni bi kasa a womo eka no ma wono enya free mu ni ade and to ba Facebook and share 104.5 ebi ni kosua ya no ache se ni wukra ye chama delegates na asem we ba ye no NDC amanoku no quickly eba mountain be respond e mo condemn the course no because election day obi eche no ma etesa na o masika enso etesa no echire bibi ni nyina no echire se nipa no sebe ekoka obi nsa psychologically adwene mu no etimi ma nipa no adwene sesa abato mu nso ye nya ne saa in a way no ekoye vote buying na saa de we NDC amanyukuo no ankasa eba monti no wo condemn ye se enhwehwemu ekoso pai obejakuo ananka majority leader kra ka ho nanso wo twen ne ho because na NDC fo ai wo mra se bejafie no majority fo no e de krata aba monti se abato no NDC amanyukuo no mu ntwa saa primaries ni na ye nto ne foforo ne mpokro mo a ejina mu a mu tuatua sika e ma hye amanfo kutupa no eye vote buying no nke ye ma mu nyai se omun contest bi mu ejekoba asa na majority leader no a ono kasa akokoso no ebe den se obetumi atena committee na ye nhwehwemu no so nti wotwe no ho e ma wo mo di nipa foforo ebe hyemu na committee no aye na dwuma wie e de wono mo recommendations ensusanso akoma NDC amanyuku no ebenimfo enra fiave kwete ebe kasai na semni nie me wi a mechim bra Facebook be hade fiave kwete elections. There have been allegations of okay. Mame emfane de nintumneti say fifi say saa de na akoso no ma ye nhwehwemu awie na in fact ya na nsem ni bi wo ho a tie no.
Let me just say that the long and short of the report was this, that inappropriate conduct was exhibited by virtually almost all the candidates, even though you cannot establish, because the candidates were clear that what they did was in light of motivating of delegates. We believe that was inappropriate. So in the light of that, the committee's report was to the effect that ideally we should have an annulment of the primaries. However, the committee also acknowledged that there are real obstacles that make it difficult for us to do that. One The party's constitution does not have a provision for an annulment of election. 2, we are time bound because we need to be presenting a candidate by tomorrow to the Electoral Commission. So given these difficulties, and also there are legal challenges that could be mounted by whoever won, and the party clearly will not be able to go through any of that process without presenting a candidate very quickly. So in the light of that, the party effectively has taken the recommendation, which is that we, given the and also the legal challenges, we have no option but to present Baba Jamal, who actually won according to the Electoral Commission declaration.
Enti fifi kweti ena ochre se committee no aye na adwuma wie na omo frefre candidates no asemo a candidates no e kan se wono mo eye sa de motivate delegate no but omo no amanyokuo no mpanimfo committee ne trans no mu se da bi enye motivation keke de ekoye no abonefo semu mu anka ese annulment bam abato no nke twam nanso bibi asi wo mo kwan ne se 1 ene day ese wo mo de candidate come abato commission that they have a day now mo de candidate akoma abato commission obi gina NDC anemu apre 2 omo party no constitution mu no omo party constitution no any provision enimu say yetimi twa abatom eni saade no see yetimi twa abatom. There's no provision for annulment of elections. Enunti no saa no ma mienu wenti NDC fo no se omo ye ho hwe a enye yenti ese baba jama omo ja no ma ono ne wi ni yenti okoko gira wo manem. And you see Jeff Fameko section 34 of PNDC law no 284 section 34 ekasa efa sa no man hu yenim say ya bonefosem na I'm happy say the party understood say ade course no enye or say if a person commits the offense of treating if he corruptly either himself or through another person before, during and after an election gives or provides or pay wholly or impart the expenses of giving or providing meat, drink, entertainment or provision to or for any person for the purpose of corruptly influencing that person or another person to vote or refrain from voting. Or I know so it was so now we know waka meat, drink near the adina. So their point of motivation, I like it said the parties who say you're wrong. Because on election day you cannot do that and kasa will motivate. It rather influences which indicative vote buying. So yeah, saa de na also demotivate no. E ka nipa na dwene ma dwene no timi sesa no. E ya bonefo sem emra no e ma ho kwan. And the NDC acknowledges this. But Oma sem ne say yenim na wo NDC party mramu a e kire say abatowo yetwam. De bia na meka wo say on say the MPP the NDC abonefo sem ebekọ a ebefa party ho no yedwene party ho chain Ghana. So me can say saade we started from baby akoso yenye ho hwe bankana me hwe say reset na ye ka ho asem no the reset would have started from this time reset na ye ka ho asem no enki ebenya scapegoats bia ebe hyase afiri saabri ne ehu se amanyokuo bi kura nya akukuduro ejire mu edi sa adwuma no enso mo se ebi emre bia ni ho e wa amanyokuo ni mu a ese wo mutumi etwa batuo ni me bi se wo emre bia nso ni ho a etwa se ejina so etwe sa nipa kro no aso ana se omo ye sa na so. You see NDC any MPP political parties na wo oman we mu no those political parties omo nyine oman no hu asin se ye bebo oman no emra ho ban ene oman ni ye die ho ban. That is what I see. Omo nyina eyobia interest because we need to present a candidate no matter boni and waye. And the majority caucus in parliament omo ye NDC fo hu say sad na akoso no de time enisi emese enipa we kwan ma obewura mrahye bedwafie na ye ni nsem because want me have way by buying votes na ka bi mamin ka bi na yɛsɛ yɛ practice na ne sɛn ba we deɛ fifi kwete epes wo kyerɛ no general secretary of the NDC pes wo kyerɛ ne sɛ yehu sɛ nipa no wadi bɔne deɛ yehu sɛ nipa no bi a sɛbe ne hu ofin deɛ nanso yɛmfa ne nkɔ wuram because party no ntimi nresket saa and enya ko wie sei ba wo hwɛ yɛmmerɛ mu so a ɛma kwan sɛ wɔn ato aba wɔ constituency wɔ no sɛ party na anya hwee so a wɔn betumi atu anamo but why I'm disappointed was saa we ne say NDC quickly statement amu release and be 3 hours 4 hours kra saa de ni sisi na mu release statement tini ani da so say bibi pa bi betumi akoso and munim samu ntimi nya ho hwee ba krokro the John a release statement say Ghana fo be hu samu be ye bibi at the end of the day why krokro the John adanko that day knowing that in your party constitution you don't have provisions and when the between so be ye bibia it is a statement na mu release ye fifi na mu release se anya ne dan na mu release se anya ne dan interest mu ni hwe ya wo ho ba mu had that release statement and now we condemned it, we do this, we do that, we have set a committee no almost set a cry then because already you know you don't have provisions in your constitution as a party executive, as a general secretary, you know the provisions there to move waste your time said the muye bibino. This is shameful and this is bad. Yebeso so weswa na no de presidential primaries MPP de vote buying near ton crofo adwene say yen sesa ba limiti ne yenyam crofo a wo mo enye corrupt yenyam crofo a wo mo huso nkogura mraso bedwafie yenya wo mo wo sika ene sika na de nipa wini elections wo mo wo sika yenya wo mo e wotema ene yenya wo mo e do man nankasa but ye wo mo wo sika eti wokotena se no wo sei sika sei ya na eso wo wia wo man no ebeden yetimi akoyanim. How can we reset with this attitude? Wabra yen start wo baby. Enti enkoso nkosi da ben. Now I'm only praying senka one of the constituents voters na wo ho no omo eligible voters no will be betumi dey court. Will be betumi dey court say abatowo na ekoso because mene a lawyer for ni bi kasa ya na me bisa wo mo enkyerase no mo kyerɛ sɛ obi a otumi to aba wo constituency wo etimi the court within 21 days no a abatowo no bɛka ho asɛm no wo mutumi the court. I'm only hoping parliamentary elections bɛkɔ high court by registered voter a wo constituency wo ana candidates for ni bia ofin say ebi obi tue sika ye vote by ye no ma bi ensem fatantie ma wo no lusu ye obetumi dia akɔ enti saa no ma mehwɛ se constituency wonka wo mo a ɛwo ho ni bi citizens ni bi etimi to abama ne yeye no e de asɛm wo bɛkɔ court na nka yetimi ahyase afiri baabi apa ne hye nkrɔfo ye sei no adan and then see a so no ma we so ankonko si da ben. I'm happy so OSP so also we hwehwemu and a count mandate no yakoko si ase and sad way evidence videos bibia na namo a ekere se wono mo eche no ma OSP you have the power. You have the power to investigate this. Me I'm highly disappointed. I'm highly disappointed. Ewo de course one. If no citizen will file, legible voter be or will file at the court, said the lawyer for naturally one Matias. Mimi Tiamin to me becoming trouble or more trouble or none a bit mediaco. A petition court, no, and a candidate or more ye a petition in high court. So Muntimin found qua OSB Fishimuno, Yakusi as ye. Na evidence wo nyina gada ne yen hyase free baby ntwiaso na kwai te se wo mu sika nko a etimi chiche sika no e na kowura parliament ye mise baby o munya sika ne free no ma chiche sika na to vote na okowura wa ye ma no contract no wawie mu sika che se onko ye we no wadi mu sika corruption nko a. I'm disappointed in the approach of the NDC towards this particular incident. Eugene, good morning.
NDC and it's funny and interesting. No be on TSA. Because to catch them say, oh share, you see, the Bamgaja sentence analysis. It's about 3 reasons why you take a decision now. Or you take you know. 1, almost say because of time. 2, almost sure constitution though the committee recommended annulment, there's no provision. 3, nipa ne beti ma a legal challenge and they don't have time. So it's basically come back to time. So nipa ne ma take a year and na Supreme Court and a High Court and some more better so. Akokwa team you. Yeah. Second, say one no le a nam koto no fofora enye enra na beti ma hyehya san koto foforo. It all come back to the interesting thing. Brand no more issue statement. No more say yes. He says almost submitting Dino by the close of 11th February. There's sometimes politicians as a crow the John had also to make it describe when it's funnier. What is not funny about it? The NDCDD knows they had to present a candidate by the 11th of February. So what was all these things about? But for me, the decisions in these MPs be taken, you know. I think the people are not being too fair to them. See. Metin said they wanted to just send a signal out there, say, Bia. They are not ready to continue that practice. But I be 2 years. Send a 50 also nobody can cast a stone so 2 years. Communina, and one of my concrete analysis. Eminem can make few. Kwa start also can start tension. Yeah. And a match of the when you for bit my boy. Yeah. Na na puna and enchen and a craba. Yeah. And a near jija and a bedu 150 cedis 200. Aqua bedu TV at TV ultimate on 700 ni 800 there and I'm not a magic fee. And I go kwa bedu ho. Other way no ABG fee any cars now. I know some of them are candidates we buy no almost on Mebuana man we need primaries. I just want money dying. I'm password per diamond. ABG cars. Constituency chairman and secretaries nibi. That's what they do. And Sani are support too. And these things have been happening for a long time. And now kwaje ka adwuma benko mesi na nse mu ge bi edi na meka. Akusua menu. So who be I say 8 million ko. Sister station, me say sisters here. Ya that stay colleague station star. Yeah. 8 million cedis so the corporate MP na pay na baba jama na one video ni bi o say ko je 12,000 as ambassador. Na parliament no ba no chemu 3 no beje baako. It's what is the motivation really? Is it really to serve? Takwa me dey say have a honest conversation. Yeah. Na nko yen say baba jama me checks we say matram mamu bi da. Yeah. Me do it 4th year no 2017 yeah service organ to let KJ she shatawali fie ni na office ni. Ba na ho no me pass mo no minister kan hand and ko tena mo fa nche man probi ti me minim nima me course kire so munyina atua bi omunyina atua bi na ko se baba jama no no be yi na nimba ye hu interview e na de asem oba unzo mo e kan so mu GT no bi abo ni din na mo respond na so de asem ha bo bi atua bi jakokwa parties nyanya afa ne yebeteki political advantage. Yes, some people take position I don't know certain. I won't debate anybody on those issues. But for me, substantively, they need the both parties must their chairman, their leaders must meet. Say you into a bill. Maybe I ya careful. You benya people questionable financial backgrounds about parliament. No here so about pesika. No identify baby a former Nadiax can question no win parliament. And let's not forget that any international agreement in Libya, parliament must rectify it. See, obi corrupt is copy pesika because show ma funuma. Akokwa. Omo nkosen sanye mama yen. E one year pass mra. Yeah. And you when say what's the deal? Most of the campaigns and MPs in the running on behalf of the presidential candidates at the constituency level. Yeah. Into pesika be free questionable source be not the bar. Person catch it out the president. They can even hold the president to ransom. I take weird decision be akokwa odwen ho won tia se ye mi anom ko pass law say your forest reserves ye timi kotum gold president sign o man na se ntwa mu dwabro ni complain so na emwa ese ye yifri go ba ya pass no na ye 137 enya wanwa yeah etini enya mi ani na ho ni enya sa ade no ene na ye TV bo kire bi na akoya de bi akokwa di na be cheche cars akokwa de car no kwa de ba ko 30,000 na de akokwa never so the nipa 10 kura na nya bia 300,000 na ye nipa 10 pe serious MPP they ni bi no mo che Kennedy Koko Bamiamu. So for me, the parties must have that unnecessary. Take the political advantage. I won't begrudge anybody because NDCS it is. I won't begrudge anybody. But learn the lessons in this. And you to be
see a chassis free baby. You see,
you to be
is a cost for bear norm. Yajiatum.
And I go for that. If you make sense for you, about 120,000 registered voters about 120,000. Not 2,000 phobia could TV. No more you candidates say 100,000 in Uncle Toma. What is the meaning? It doesn't make sense. So for me, we need to come to a point where we say that jai, unto a jai. And when I meet a hopes in there, what's a cat punkataman 200, 2019.
No more JJ.
And no more JJ. What's a young uncle Winnie? And many other people, it's not for nothing. I hear if you quit the cancer, the MPs, they cannot cast the first stone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but we need to come to the table and have that honest conversation. Baby, Drew, fire and see from me and Yaya. Moi, Oko Parliament, there needs to be to me and Rada, was a Megao, all these things are things we need to have a frank conversation about.
Bad. You say to the fact checker, my main kwa humano sone lawyer Bernard Bedia Kombedu and Trichenkomo. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Afisha Panzo.
Afin commerce. Yeah,
Omojoso. First time I hear Kaseni.
Okay.
Yeah. Meaning, sir, party issue statement be Omo Akasa Afa Ayawasu East about for no. Na response no when you say.
Well, okay. So yeah, so send me our but after the course so Ayawasu na east na yeto primaries na yehuhu wo social media but no share kakra as a responsible party no omutu anamon say omo ebehwhwem. I think let's put on record say this is the first time a political party ewo Ghana high etimie tu anamon etisi because I had na koswa both parties, but this is the first time party be getting a nice ho say ni akoso no or hwhwem na nchen so wan kan keke o mu ye ya no mu 3-man committee na yewra na ka yewra mahama yarga ye mi leader na lawyer Fuga na madam fu na to be kwache party penny yewra na omuko ye hwehwemu no ya omode aba na say to kwase niema ekoso na niema ekoso no enya di twa anso yomu nya nyo ba akofo na ye nipa ni nya na ye that has been established. Almost almost take action pa first and foremost as almost share your constitution. The constitution no said there ni the party constitution said there ni be beat through a woman fact because constitution anticipate says at the end of the yeah constitution no na would buy na said there you go. Yes all kohwe mu na hu say ampa e ba say ya ye be say o mo hu say ade and we one number 2 say e ko ba say simple ye fa no say ni akoso no nyanti ye mfa yabako no mfo nchen ne nto fofora ana ye ntwamu a ye besa be bie nomination say yes yeah because omunia say sa dia na so omunia so bi atana nche it could be a nomination here we need the electoral commission so ABA of nomination or magic a deeper. Okay, maybe I send a bit delay. And when omo avi to say ni akoso and kuye ni nanso. yɛn kɔ no saa na mmom party nankasa wɔ internal nneɛma a wɔn bɛyɛ including sɛ wɔn ate committee a ɛyɛ ba bɛhwɛ holistically nea akɔ so na efi na ɛkɔ no obi nkɔyɛ biribi a ɛte sɛ bio eti wotie deɛ because we are a political party we need to be present and as we need to be included in the race. MPP for you nipa ye kaze ya ye sad ye nhwehwe mu no MPP for go so ye campaign omon ka se we asem papa die ni aye nkambo ni ye nhwehwe ni enti e kwan pa ye betimi de sad ye be fa so omo de omo na mo ye campaign ene ye de ye say honorable baba we wi ni de nzu nya abotre enko ye campaign ye nhwehwe won se mu ansa ti ye wi de say ni e ka so bia ye bie nomination fofra ye ba ka se ye be wi election no na internal election na electoral commission wie na adwuma ebi gra ne ato aya waso aba na wi enti yenia ye gitum and I think that will be the last person ameba be hypocritical aba be kase o then na we kutua we na we kutua MPP NDC ageze obi on person be kan kure obi aye enti sa de we obi ntibi meka se na de iti na mo anya se na then na mo jai baba na then na ebe yeze ka mafa ofona pan kanti obi ntibi medina mekasa but we have to deal with this matter and that is where I may there's a party no enja no ha normal 7-member committee say ye wo brea afi yo mo be ye niema e den hihye because nyame adom ne say afi ne ye be hye internal elections ase enunti sebe no mo di no mu nimbo ekwa anim no party ne hwɛ sɛ ɔde ne nan bɛsi fam ɛma obiara ntumi nyɛ saa adeɛ no bio tumi ɛno na ɛmɛ dɛ ne ɛhwɛ anim sɛ committee no de ɛyɛ committee na ɛbɛhwɛ saa adeɛ wei ankasa no ɛde recommendations ankasa bɛba na ɛne sɛ 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 yɛmia constitution no de nneɛma bi hyehyɛ mu a ɔmde bɛhyehyɛ mu ne ɛsɛ sɛ sɛ kɔba sɛ obi a asotwe sɛ yɛde ma no no ne nyinaa yɛhwɛ anim sɛ committee no bɛdi sɛ adwuma no ɔmɔde aba na yɛmu eti me commend party no say resetting agenda no oma anye kwa na omo tisi mu se no ye behwe sa asemi no mo aka no kren so say omo kasa bibi ankoso ana omo boa na emmom no ye nimre sa bri electoral commission e tibi a ye behwe say ye be enti no it's a good start na I'm just hopeful say committee e be ye adwuma e be ye nie na ya it's a clean slate at least for NDC4 going forward because there is a thin line between gift and a bribe. Because if you are the man on command in it, no yent, but you is all the idea man. It is all the man who said gifter, fine. But the better who say one can't learn such a you know, yes, I mammy. These are all things, and let's establish, say, and honorable Baba Jaman, Kwana, yes, sir. Ubi awo ebi che buto ya hu social media ebi che sika ebi ye say ntino it will also be unfair say would they blame ni nia be ko ona baba jama ho say asi say ono no ya de bi mada MPP before your conference na nansen ye hu envelope everybody put to go actually ni ade ni fat envelope over 200,000 delegates ubi ame minim say wo ho yi ni ba azem we ye nkwa aginance ye bua ubi aye.
Right.
Yes, you beg to Sadi. You know whom pie bona me bosse, young cousin, because I'm fata, and yet, a bit of baby, no, you crazy cacassi any binan, and yen you wouldn't get any answer between the above man. It's immediate, and so, I mean, party, no, a better years or you're not, what the nice for more sense.
I started some cancer the way Huasem right after the MPP primaries. Brana Sike Kwana delegates in EBS or Musika Mai. This is not the first time one. Make cancer vote by any influencing voters no Huasem. But on the day of election, said you now can say be or the Achadia my say what the ABA the normal kind Tenia Dino. On the day of the election, 7 previous Ubi Babijina ballot box no nchen no bi beto no de sika in the one and as what the bibition is I mean say prosifo e wo ho beche no because the election is ongoing and I ntesa good no matter what you tell the person and we glare ye beche no but the ntina on the day of election a yebeto aba na saa bre na wo be charge any form of gift bia which wo hwe PNDC lot 284 na specify section 34 no can clearly say aduane ana drinks kura wo de ma at that moment na something that can influence people it's not right into clear. But me I want the yam fan too, but the problem now is na NDC aware say at the end of the day say committee ni establish cross wrongdoing ekoswa party constitution be bien mo betimi aye honre no mu nim ansa no mu release statement yi.
Well, so what's now can but what the constitution the statement na you were really here. And say yeah, never lose sight of statement. It near maybe a who was statement? I don't know.
Yeah, I have it around.
Okay, share the last paragraph. So
Jeff, project mame quickly now. What the
statement now? You will quickly. It knew what but me kai will me trim. And the share statement now last paragraph. Kindness for you. Oh, you have 50 quid. Maybe sure say last paragraph now. But he spoke among others say in the future no and I say omo behe say next time be near omo hweme masa no mo betu anamo o can be bisa. So what statement na your first statement no release here now will say ni akoso no mo condemn na omo behe say on better committee. Because at that time, as the General Secretary, I am sure, send we say in lacuna be a war constitution because say as the General Secretary. You see, fortunately, no me na Lisa Hotel, a majority leader, a majority MPs, no a conference be a war. So we were all the speaker or party
okay, menya statement no ha. Jeff, I forwarded it to you. On the 7th of February 2026. Na dated signed by Fifi Fiavekwete. Na say NDC condemns the level of bribery in the Ayawasu East Primaries and Lunches investigation. The attention of the national executives of the NDC has been drawn to the widespread incidents of inducement and vote buying allegedly perpetrated by some aspirants at the primaries in the Ayawasu East constituency today. The party vehemently condemns these actions in no uncertain terms as they represent an affront to the values and principles of the party and the reset agenda the party is championing. The party also wishes to make it clear that in the future more drastic sanctions will be taken, including possibly cancelling elections, which such incidents come to the attention of the party. But honorable, Yenshe state. Okay,
and not say the General Secretary had apprised himself of constitutional provisions. Same say lacuna be on Johnson when Timian Kaze, Sa Juma Wina committee in the Bayano, Ebeheson be trouble, but in the future. Because involving even amendment to a constitution, and I say providing some provisos be a bit to me useful for this one. It tells you that he knew that there was a lacuna in the constitution. Okay, yet as I see, you have him.
But Osha, last but one paragraph, no, estatia or acknowledge and now or indicate say there will be an action taken. Also, the party is immediately instituting a full-scale investigation into this matter and will take a swift action against any candidate found culpable. The party also wishes to make it clear that in the future, more drastic action. The last but one paragraph indicate that they will take swift action against against any candidate. But in this case, there wasn't even a bit or little action taken against anybody. They have been allowed to go.
Mami Mukaka.
Right.
And no question they've been allowed to go. As we speak.
Per the statement.
Master, Mebao. Yes.
Okay.
Then as a statement next committee na koye adwuma. And as a general secretary. One of the recommendations or the amendment almost His Excellency the President of the Republic. And yet committee now establishes saying Honorable Bajama and Kwane yes sir. 18 omonso omoye ebino nso eye public servant ebi wo board so nti mampanyi enyi omadi but also it is a geography equate kan enye easy say o be catch obi say yenyi na di hwe ono Baba Jama or veteran politician and with his pedigree in NDC now President of the Republic President enya de kwa one party no na din sa also etivi kire na say on ya je na adwuma finansem.
But already be so concerned is already no a high commissioner won't mean MP inside high commissioner nan ko resign or we need crank or resign dada.
Minia no cre so or resign. But any as a president no represent for okoludu and ko be friend say baba otina resign. Even over adwuma now ko pension the very day I ko pension here ka say you were there. That same day, you forfeit your entitlement. When himself or resign, different from CAE daddy. Don't underestimate the implication of a resignation as against dismissal. It is a very serious matter. Share, Massa, I know the different cry. It's a resign and can be a different. But CAE wedi, not the president no names of resign or see where you need. And the president calls one of the statements are details. President me or Shebia says or Trey and the entire war recalling, but where you're Trey or say almost young or no train Munocra. Nia Coso understand that the money appointees, was no not dream on our Baba Jama and Drew and you were in it. As I'm get what. And I know the this is a serious politician, so I we are at no. And you had the Ketwa, and I'm not sure so anybody. Because ye recall you say now, benefits near you forfeit them. Yes, I blare on your political inso. It is say party now recommend this or more council and the party surely I know as an insider say and ye be a becanabonte but and same being so nam a quine fufu a bit me afaso and near my daily. But the only thing an party no problem one say. Ye ni bibia wo ye mra ni mo a ebetimi a bibia so aye ye de mra na ye ebetimi aye na secondly ni any time on so ye ka se twa abadum kra na ye be bie nomination da ben electoral commission abayin so ene ye ken MPP fo nso guso ye campaign ene ye de yan ye se ye hwehwe vote buy akoso Ghana in ages no iti ni nia no media ni me de ne se party ni se nso ha afi ni ye ba be yan hihye ye mu odin net me protect me ye bia wo ye internal elections nim it mean me ya enya say ya anya hwe say wo ye adwuma na ye wedi de e bi nto da na to wa ho
na mate de wo kana se but if party no mo constitution mu no enimu se obi a obe contest bia no eni se sebe ne ho wo enkekaye bi ananse waye bibi esusu se ya abonefo sem a ese nipa no oye obi oye person with ebia integrity morally no onye bibi a only illegal records bia wonachi enye no na mode hwe ema nipa de timi gina mu se obe contest bibi wa NDC anamu.
Okay, so yes, so eno wo ho but the yardstick I the measure no don't forget. As we speak, special prosecutor Abba Asemnim, Abba is a special prosecutor. Look, young more buying any party now, but yeah, who be say that? I was Ghana how. We speak, a senior former minister, Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria, is now under investigation. I was one Abba. A special prosecutor now, a granting bail. I did a caution statement. Yeah, you go so Renansemo. It's a special prosecutor go so Yana Juma say, oh, we near the Nico court, the better court, Omu say and court, no court na. Sabe, a coba say, why ye BBI Tiagan Amra. Uncle so MPB. Special prosecutor and so you shame not you. And yes, Senya, because you see, it's a criminal in the air come once. The whoever is investigating or prosecuting, would have to connect whatever was given to the way nipa no edekoto abana say indeed now it was meant to bribe the person. I'm sure special prosecutor at the end of the day, so oba out no see obi aye bonia. Oba koso aye MPBO. To me, na ye ka say under John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, and under a Siedun Ketiani Fifi Kwete. Almost social party national. A very senior member of the party is under investigation. Matthew wanted special prosecutor and this in a dinner by you to be entering go bribe. Obey the Juma fair near the betono, Yantia de Bayajuma, and Naya Casa media before say. And that is why sometimes, as I say, more words, more Casa for it do say now, encourage the official domino. More my basso. Send your day on back to me, of course, yes, and as they reduce to fair politics near idea. And when also party for because I didn't know you giant or now be unfair, no one, because and that's why I say, but President Mama saw reset Ghana. Kenya Galamse, I say, me a man here, West to say, and the Adian, President Tataret is on Koyum. Because this is a president, doesn't know. May legacy at once, Amako. May more be me good many masses. There will be said that on one buy.
Now, I'm just told, say, ye fire no say ya, bit me in your compensation, but or resign the anchor, obenya just about 3 months salary, bina ako. So it's I know kind of that is what me producer confirm Mrs.
Or confirm if document.
I will get it. So Odi get me the source now. I know that, but honorable. Yes, sir. Mame emisa on the timing, the time. Okay. Now you see ye nibre. About work commission on other instances, you share they see what amale de ye train the dare nanka time or why they better and time or why they be normal be but because of the court processes no ebu why the injunction to so ye anyway looking at this anka party ne acknowledge say bibi boni akoso committee no kra transia gather evidence who say bibi boni akoso in fact abonefosem which is in form of vote by normal p akoso on the part of all the candidates who say normal say akoso no do or some few short time to present your candidate nanka enye a step in the right direction we a lawyer there senke bia party no wo interest pa enka wo as party of interest in that election no enke betumi afa kwan bi so injunct the process so that about to commission na motu obetu no kra no ebetumi atwentwen so na ya handle we no awi ansa ananse benya even legible voter wo constituency wo nankai party ni interested in ti watumi ahye na chairman na go through that process na yama about to commission apostle for some time court na injunct no nankai atumi handle we yawie
no matter but we internal weapons no intimi NPD electoral commission court be able about say injunction oko injunct electoral commission o ma ebonebe because you see you don't go to court. Let me speak at this stage send me a lawyer court can go case be copy injunction is predicated on a suit and you know understand how better injunction. Now the Nipana court say why you born if you are now movie and now why you be I don't know the file originating process which is the rate of summons. And you better say as soon as I say why me say and answer why you be enye name mumu say answer ye be as obi anim say asem di break aka say court and stop no from so ni o ye na okoso ye a obe overrate me they no nema obe court akwa for case court ma sa injunction but I want to mean sorry and court them injunction it is a court ni o ya adwen a na court the injunction so after the video asem e ya enye but you see to me why we internal and aba internal electoral commission there or no we be any nomination. Don't forget to say any this MPP one AP on beko AP be independent. But I MPP ground so and so interest room. Almost wash a show near my see a better about the 3rd of March. Now from nowhere now what court to say electoral commission bonnet ben while or no cottage and you'll be cottage out than a court. Can you even imagine if NDC tries at the nan yet more better ukruma? Some more my dear, yeah, but don't forget it is a constitutional provision. The groom norm and yeah, act of parliament to be said within 30 days. Nyankonko to abanyi mrashibi gani fufo. It is easy. Say constitutional provisions are no non NDC internal and semuntino. No man sorry na electoral commission na court the injunction at home. So
but honorable, this is not internal as such. Well, whilst I who say something like bribery and vote buying. Election be a the
issue of bribery, no. Yes, but there's no established in any court. Bribery is a criminal offense, and no special prosecutor. Yes, argument. Into mommy training home. Why? What's the problem? Saving so parliament impo. Now say Kobasa special prosecutor succeed. Yes, I na the na the viazi na the woody for. What do you mean? Because on your MPB. System, but you see, young to me, the whole process because answer now be establish bribery or court, you know, even take him right. It is a young Twabanu Kruma, young train, and all is not over. Meaning, what catcher with you for more much to say. Special prosecutor, as we speak, were granted on our Baba Jama bail. And the process is new so possible. I have my own personal opinion about this whole thing, but it is not about my personal opinion. Baby, I do know. Special prosecutor, Yenejuma. Obian share no. Obian, your president, so on Cousin Yenejuma. And the honor of Papa Jaman, Sunyamia, the Monoswaka say, Minishi, I'm DC, and special prosecutor invited me, I'm ever, and Panswako. It's a moment process in Koso. Special prosecutor says, oh, Irene no quarter. Or Irene near court in a becan, yet Bedma wouldn't make a bit joke, wouldn't say committee. No, yes, and Yama be brew, and I know, say, an internal committee. Look, committee need a recommendation, but a party, no, Ebi Abano, Yakem, young Concotono for Fra. Omwa, a affectium, they have a right of appeal. In the years of Mkaya, Nessie. It is honorable Baba Jama Owini, and a committee in recommendation and Yaneda. Over to me, I file an appeal, and no bear a national executive committee. Because we affect na establish and you file appeal on national executive committee, say near committee na can only omunyadren. And also better because see a friend next meeting. Any idea? Can you imagine near a committee by a bosume no near we at them? It's in your chips as a committee in a kaya, so people say the committee na can only in your job file appeal internally. It's a baby, I say, it's a long haul, but Mino and America as a party has taken a good decision. Yet, the special prosecutor is also doing his work on Unjai.
Okay. Right, we hope for the best. But quickly, just a short time on the Galamsey issue. Meaning, who documentary na Ekono and how things are unfolding some of the districts and municipalities. No, you see Eko Galamsey, and then we are resetting. When you saw the documentary, no, and what do you think must be done?
Well, my personal opinion, unfortunate. But you see, as a lawyer, no, I am careful in judging.
Right.
Because you see, utie afa, any afa, and son webwa. Miss me, judge. But utie niya, this in Swaka was so mono. Omujisika, Emma earth moving machines be I am yet to establish DC no Jessica man home. I think it's near PM woman so much yes assembly. But all the two person who can't someone no from all angles say and Kakoba said this after the personal tax was being ordinary Jessica every no DC na. A different from Wena or the assembly, no. For all you know, me see I'm unfortunate because I think say it be a champagne near there. Champagne no zona buy na gra.
Yeah.
Eti denti na eso kwaji sika fu bo champagne. Because the earth moving equipment kra na yede ye adwuma yede kwa ye adwuma na wo say esese omuchi tax ma ana say revenue de ma assembly na. Bi di say esese as assembly mo adwuma di a earth moving equipment na ekodi. Who think as a wakoje revenue ne keke. It is a matter for the assembly, and for me, if we should cut the whip, then it would not even just be the DC. Let's not politicize this. So, there is a coordinating director.
Yeah.
There is a district finance officer. It is the entire assembly because we know assembly, no.
Mm-hmm.
It is assembly. Let's not politicize it at all. Let me also commend His Excellency the President for the swiftness. Media, so am I obisa na me vampire say a chire a obekono obi obebe mefa papa isu ne ban. Yewra na sa asemi wa wo de kumase na wo nti ohon so galam say ne man ne wo ho kakra is it asem we news ma obi ango be nani. Hey news me say go for ni oji shed bottom kra akosu kura im obi ankasa. But you see, also no, what directed the minister. Now, in the next few days, you know, what do you think you busy?
Wow.
Because President said, no, sir, not dear with that be okay. That be a bishop be okay. Or say, need term win and legal term. Even in the background, no, now the need the agra or be sacrifices. And that is why you sustain me on mine without any scandal for 1 full year and beyond. And the moment why you send ya multimedia monsumu gusu ya nyamea dom na se moma yehu said sadie we na ekoso sadie we na ekoso. I can assure you the president on that one. On social media ni phone there be any phone kura no be na ekoso. Tie ba ya obeti asim. It for me it's good. Me evidence of here nwem. Yeah, so I can assure you the president also will be under because 1 year and there be a then how you be a renewed because you do I'll sacrifice you. If you are not a me it's in young shum. Na yen hunyentia. Obi na say well no munim but me omunim ne de me ikaka because you cannot be taking money from some ne de cry is serious mommy. Some fine na buy ne won kan no. Who koji hu sika
And as head of the DISEC, more security no nyina no okra na ye chairman of the district security council. Na galamse Kosovo district and you don't even protect the lands, the resources.
Unfortunately. And I look, chief, because na me no near me can say this one a bit weak and it must look and now and police commander obia must answer question why is it going on now mokramo fetch revenue ma assembly and yet a whole assembly in the district no pin one as a whole one babe because as far as the year meaning to be full be baby there but if you can no mutia assembly it's a assembly in here. And it is unfortunate say ne ya bedu say na yen sa say bomb by na president ebre stay sika e ma 9 months blue water gas yen konkoye niema yie no me tell me a member of the Lands and Natural Resources Committee me tell sika ye voted ma 9 months ni blue water gas nye sika ketwa ye betimi dia ya de fofo ye fammo yen sa se ho ban na mo chire na mo yesi ya unfortunate obi ntimi nka se be onim because me self fire excavator and put have say well we nim so license well I don't know but champagne ne dey bi oni e dey champagne dey bi apart from that ni on dey wo mu dey 2 gallons dey ne dey champagne it is a bit to be cook wura mu quantity ka fi champagne ni wa na ejuma be no dey champagne nti say ye kasa nti ka wo dey say wura mu no dey kunipa nti assembly ni So for me, there are more questions than answers. And at the end of the day, may hear him say DC, you know, any assembly, police commander, district coordinating director, DFO, Sikaneba, or just say Sikaden. And you know, but for me, I must answer questions. No, near Kosuye. No, be a Frank, how be a President Mahama, now Memua Obui, was washable. gugu so nso me gidi sɛ mo amahu sɛ nneɛma ɛsesa kakrakra wɔ yɛ kurom a nti obi anhwɛ ne ho yie na obi amfa bibi ama mɛfɔrefɔre yɛwura no
right honorable medasi anɔpɛ
nso medama
all right lawyer Bernard Bedi Akobedu NDC MP for akwetia na yɛne ne atwetwe enkomo ɛwɔ ho no na ohwɛ some fine no a isi kura de emze na no video bi a me hu yɛse ebi kura de omo de fail plane helicopter ina ewie mu hyɛn na ɛna da Facebook yi je sɛ na ye abesim wo hu na ye de abesim saa ɛyɛ serious o ɛyɛ serious na champagne ne yabane enti authority bɛn yɛtimi de giska efiri so sɛ champagne yɛkɔgye ho sika 3000 Ghana cedis ɛyɛ nsɛm a yɛhwɛ anim I believe sɛ ho nsɛm no gusu a yɛbɛbɔ so na ɛnɛ ukopiem ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nkran pumpuni mantemu a abantie bi ho aka kopiem 37 military hospital na yesu okosra eye ne girlfriend unfortunately wakoshe sujafo atade na say yesu wadi boni a wa impersonate former minister da sa wa ya ye nche no na di papa ne ho asemu former defense minister na wa impersonate ne sa na ye nche no na afi wo mu anya no be hwade
you are like, I've never seen you. Have you met me? Have you met me? Send it again. Bad what? Joseph. Have you met me in your life? You have never met me. Have you ever seen me before in your life? Where? You haven't seen me before. Commander, this boy has used my name to do so many people. This one, he creates WhatsApp, Facebook, and used my name to do so many people. The last one he did, he met a boy in Denmark. Just 2 weeks ago, the boy came to my house.
Jeff, screen for me.
Oh, he's coming. The boy is coming to you. So I sent. Stop. I sent his picture. When the soldiers were beating me, I sent his picture, and the boy said, yes, this is the boy, he's come to collect his money. In fact, over 100 people will come here to testify against me. Over 100 people, this boy. Because we speak the same accent. In the Congo dialect, we speak a similar accent like him. He's used my name to teach so many people. So many people. That's why I want to come and find out whether you know me. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm by Nikata. Huh? Nikata. This is the one wearing military uniform. They look at this case. This is the one wearing.
Enti abantie we na de bia no impersonate Dominic Nitiu na former defense minister and then they were creating Facebook account just say yasemu ma encoding komo kakra ye the petition ko enkran akoma mampani na editor multimedia Kumase Ira Kofi Edudum Fe or a news editor on one day anymore moko present petition no Mr. Adumfe, good morning. Na apom ye de
Atom an empire boy
ye da okropon ase o wankran na wabedu
ami adaro mama bedu
ye da okropon ase na ma yemisa petition ya mode call ye na den ne wom
petition it's them for and 9 and the woman capture presidency and after ban say now only who you ma our documentary the kind and say be such a independent investigative inquiry of a sort into the matters raised in the documentary. Say aban nankasa ebe an independent yekemu no hu no kra ewum anase enim the tosum you know nipa bebre ni ebomudi from the DCE to NADMO officials to Red and the woman no yes we can say interdict omo until the outcome of the investigation. And at the Atosumians, Scanner Assembly in some related to mining activities in Osono. A public audit into Sticano, the idea, the mania, and the woman and the platform say when it becomes a strengthened oversight mechanism, Senebea, Bia or Utiabane or a babyano, a bit to me, I'm making sure, say, Sani maybe say, and Koso. It's time for a Diapoto president and him say, okay, now we need a documentary you produce.
Wow. But Moko, how was the reception? Quite almost fast, so J money assurance, a demand money to say.
Oh, the local government minister. In fact, it was a cordial reception, very Enra Kasano, president, you know, he is very busy.
Okay.
But they prioritized our presentation of the petition. The assurance we have is that the president is very much interested in this and is going to ensure that it won't be obedi hujuma na and many miano sama petition so
you a lot on social media party food soldiers any other kofo almost to be a money ejuma amwaye and some of them kekana targeted government and of course omu bodini ni ade I mean when reactions ni bina ebumabam
amian kata titru de omo ni medwumadi as a journalist ni say ye adwumawia the aka we tire ni pansa mo beka no ya na nhede hia mr because adie baby and boni say we are professionals.
Sure.
We uphold the ethics of the profession of journalism. We are very professional in the things we do. In Tiansana, you made the because a public interest and yes, will be and will be some analysis the one could join them on your pool be na in some way in a bar. It's me and normal because amount for livelihood. You know, Galam says to me, you'll be unwedjane and no na binimuno Yamana Bono. Into on Hesse, Adena Oye and Airball, mine. And she said, oh, yeah, and some trueness, also no one unit the interest of the public. Let's say people's individual selfish interest in our BDH, and the Tembian Herjumanumpo, oh, yeah. And we always expect the reactions in the Beba. Did they say revenue no the boy or mine and simply, but we could give to ask ourselves what the realities of Adena or in Susan Swebin or mine so. And there I can say and in himself in social joke. But there we are not to say we are no boggy and yes sorry we are no we need friendly climate change.
Yeah.
And to say, yeah, quite, friends say, you're not by your water bodies, your environment, and yes, no. Now you know, to Sansoa. Sabi, you should train you go a man here, Bansu Sansono, and not be nearby your soul. As I say, crying, who pebble you who's to tobre. Aha, and we have been saying, say, dear in Amanabasa. Apart from the fact that illegal mining, water bodies your friend say no buy any no. The bottom line is that our sustainable development is adversely affected.
Right.
And Yema was here na your conkind senipano. Make us say for Yimpa, we are all at risk. And they say individual be any selfish interest. Now pretend they say or what is kind of boama or mine to aba. Now you question but yay as some show for the yeah and say will be idea and just suffer the consequences of that irresponsible behavior.
All right. Yeah, but I'll see you, Rakofi. All right, Mr. Kofi Adudumfe, news editor, multimedia, Kumasi, and you know, at your train, Komono, Omoko present a petition, Mamma Penny Fagalam saying somewhere, Abba Montino Hona, yeah, and a more Mampeni, a bit to who say, yes, say, Omunian Shimu, and 10 na, one more muchly. Inti, yeah, ready a Bekwakusi. Kaisa stand back up, no, Valentine's Day, and one year you saw, I love you, not Dawson. Bisa bank account never be two so to the wodono egusua www.stanbigbank.com.gh www.stanbigbank.com.gh na what to me edia sendi sika ye bibia na kai se Valentine's Day inso no ye de ani betrim e wo the crash na Valentine's night no nya agro kra wo the crash bar na de tie ne se ye bebo live band achedie pinu a wo ha wo do ba no ko be ma no ko wodofo no afa ne ko ne to bi ma no kama inshallah have fam ni nyina ya ka bom se wo do wodofo no be ko ama nani age Valentine's Day ya we special 2026 one dey special na odinako na the crash by ho ne nyina ye no momode ne fo ani chirem na wonso enigye no mapa no fa bi firifie so hu ekọ eho na bibia anya fine blueprint DNA enso ye DNA test no eba paternity test na express na eyomo a asafosine dan no ahu kumase na obehu bo modern ne from 0547 113 957 0547 113 957 one more branches no our regional capitals ni nyina across the country na kai say Lil Flower Limited enso ede green clean solutions naba ye de paper bibia ma na fine pa so hu glass stainless steel cleaner eba o toilet no obe cleaning so bibia Lil Flower Limited wono green clean solution na de bedi dwuma bibia ko fine pa omo multi shine polish and so ho I be na bright kama Lil Flower Cleaning Services Limited wono ma enwuma ku na afi so kra no ebi afie na opeso mo ankasa so be cleaning no ma wa ombedi hunduma nyina de ama from 0532 764 930 0532 764 930 na 0532 724 950 one bejo so pa uduru adwo a o ko traffic light na se pe abrosan bi wo nsa benkum so behu o mo pe Lil Flower Limited cleaning makes matter cleaner and greener. Kai say Kel Chaco toothpaste and one ye di twitwi ese Kel Chaco no papa body tree ya na ye dia ya nei udi twitwi osia ma osia fita kama etum kan free osia wanum ema bibia ye kama pa for Samara company was 0246 864 798 0246 864 798 motor insurance ahodo abai nei ubetumi ayebie no de papa wo mu pa so ho mu gina brane a wo mu so de bibia ba eboafu vouchers ahodo a won mo chenya agro Mr. Holland Insurance one mu edi dwuma pa 24/7 free roadside assistance on the mount for 0800 444 999 0800 444 999 men's like cry to free number wofra one mo ebeje osuye the hianda heba ointment ma me da gomba de aba pompo aboja hyehyew ne ade a utine pa fa bitrasra honam ye hya fa bitrasra heba shop pharmacy shops ni na ebusu 0242 712113 0242 712113 na waje so access rewards no nso gusu access card no unya bia se utukwan na se ukodidwa ana we business man na woman utuatua ka use access card no na eno and the watch the pinua wechiri Access Bank more than banking ISOC mining and engineering yetro welding and fabrication now occupational health and safety and so eka honi a church or kama pa dump truck forklift reloader roller backhoe grader bulldozer excavator ni nyina atwi no ISOC mining and engineering training school wo na bebo pa we are certificate afa be beju to machine certificate MVTI certificate driving license Monday to Fridays or trade kai set 3 months theory and practicals no we obo zongo high science no echi pair 0539732766 0539732766 Kojak Farmer the Kojak Pro Code number pepuni one in a bit to us here the amount now fin sukrano charcoal toothpaste no Kojak dieno a massing ye fitene yaho de Kojak regular fluoride toothpaste no sukumwa was in asimount na Kojak P F no so sefem femwa uhia bi pa na eno so etimi adu akagyenemu eyiye Kojak Farmer Cash Drag Lane Accra Central Market between from 0244559597 0244559597 Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fee Nokia Samsung iPhones nina smart TV CCTV cameras air conditions nina mfidie nina Franco dibia beguna kache jaba jewelry in Chen old Malcolm Edum in Chen Wako clinic in Chen Monique Jetia Dubai and so 0245 316969 0245 316969 Manonu Rub Bank PLC eba eye loans so ahodo ni nyina wono mo ho na do ani kira won sabeka akuafo akuaku mu nyina ban adwumafo nyina mbenya loans ho pa ye head office no nyina hini Asafo Market VVIP bus terminal no eben ho no mo a emroma esreso abu akwatafo bibia ni 0208 007254 0208 007254 Manonu Rural Bank service beyond expectation not just a BBA to me akosopa Kaisa Alaska Star Enterprise and so Emma decoration who no many marble sheets blind curtains bed spreads inflatable sofa chairs no carpet no artificial grasses nina wonu mabi edum oni Prudential Plaza din hwede first floor Mrs. Anoche Plaza should do empty to the office din hwede mu won crime so benya 0256 330075 0256 330075 Millennium Insurance mamenka wo say Millennium for aba enti omo boa pa se bia wo car no be insure omo eno achi no kra no mo nso a mo japade bi mpese mo ye insurance mano no eno so wono be boa wa ya ma mo nso a mo fa no ma fa poso ekono ohu ebeboa mo marine insurance ni nyina wo mo ye bi any travel insurances hold of from 0501 418 228 0501 418 228 Millennium Insurance Company, your trustworthy partner. One more ediwechi pa obetumi de ho ato on so amana yi Anglo Gold semen kanche say edua premine no one mo nya adwen se obi anyina wo manamu mfa nipa ma wo nti bia obi aba se wo ye middleman ana wo gine mo na efa nipa adwuma de ama eye Anglo Gold Ashanti edua premine misro no kure bia enim se wo pe ho nsenkan ye bia nchiremu a bomode na frɛ 0302 743 400 0302 743 400 and 0302 743 401 na one majo so anaba www.anglogoldashanti.com/company/careers na what me ahwede wo ho nyina nti me ntwa why me ntwa na manfo wo mu aye wade piske di wan ya na obi dia so kwa adane wa chenchena yentwetwe nkomo sisi ya na afi obetumi aba homa no so ne yatwetwe nkomo 03220 83581 83582 83583 03220 83581 83582 83583 Absa your story matters with Absa but modern Absa Bank no ko na sika sem no nyina wono mo antoto ni ye top tier study abroad consult say amakum no wo kuma say Oben Bank of Africa 0260 411 847 0260 411 847 and Crime Medina Polyclinic no enhwe ani mu 0203 592008 Akrade NK City 9 Club Fijai Road na 0598 007 852 social media handles ni na top tier study abroad consult or SAT ni GR in so ni na ombetro this obeko UK USA Canada Spain France Germany Malta Australia South Korea be bia peso ko school bia wo mo de obeko ama bibia ye fine pa top send papa no you should share for my promo code ente wo hwe UK Europe bibia USA Canada no an say top send wo de be faso na de aba so de be to bank account mu local ya na sem pokra mobile money so na wo de to ani nyina you should share for my promo code ente wo hwe Mr. Yakai you should share for my promo code yes I beto na etumi abedura so ndwem na bibia ye fine top send papa no Access Bank Bamifa first caller. Access Bank, more than banking. Hello.
Awogwa.
Minia.
Ebacho dankwe ni medo dunya iri.
Right. Dankwe yentiwe.
Wadaroma. Na mencha cha mo de no kwa bia. Dankwe we dia cha ma ondo push a de na economy. Ana GFP. Ana lawyer PH ya ba. What you say me and the yet for Galante 1.7. I won't go Galante the abai with you or the nano papa and I did that to your soon. We and you should move uncle Pia. This is the Beko Baby. I said, Monia Brewa. As you know, I can be the Bana Buma or Bana is a message for Mampuma. We three better and cool park of your panel, boys in the Buma, we get to make it. And the Galante, the abai way, but your photocopy be Baba. Kasa na ba we nim kasa adwuma so ye e de bua Ghana for do ye de na so Ghana for no MPP abai say ye nke humbom ye ke humbom 2028 enkunim bi be ye de adankwe makababa.
All right, me na sidankwe prime insurance but me nka we say prime insurance say kwa akosi March 31st insure car no o moto no bibia insure fuel coupon e wode ma free so hu so finance ahodo wode be kan wa chede api no de e ma offices no door so TVL office bia be bra no wo be hu prime insurance and so wo mu gire mu brane uduru eye stadium so a amakum wono mo anchen wono wa be hu on obetumi afre 0501 447068 0501 447068 na wono mo ajo. So hello
Akukwa
minia mejosu
obibini tachini espresso na kutwa akokra mekake.
All right, obibini yentie we
Akukwa isaupa na me pa kwenye suncha chairman kutino ko kokta ni kamia sant na chairman dia na mekana. Akukwa garanti ho sensemo aye kan omo mienu no ho ni ense but there we program we to ka fa what pass from mania panse to what to call purpose me frɛ ho commercial town kalanse no afi kɔ na agye hini afi na agye samo nti obi tuo kalanse no mahama baayɛ abrase wɔ hefa ɛnɛ Ghana nsuo bi a wɔ Ghana ha nyinaa akyɛyi ɛne yɛatie security baabi a meka wokɔ purpose me frɛ ho a ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a kalanse no ɔmo yɛ ne kɔyɛ bi mu a wonhunu paa ho pɛɛ wonnam paa ho pɛɛ from quality to Dunkao. A funny thing, you still left and right. First one, you don't plan here. You do your propaganda, and Mahama benefit, and Mahama benefit. I'm matching them as it can. And you 2 1 more. You 2 1 more year, you are quite a new sooner.
All right, thank you very much. Right. Hello.
Ako kwa nyamia sumje nka wano pay.
Nka woso.
Pacha me da say. Chama fire. Insurance consultant chairman into your papa to the KJ chairman to some mention and a regional chairman and question na akukwa bagalam sia abai bai na fam di bia oye bia waye akukwa obeje de say mami mo edi ni nyame akwa ni Kofi Buache unim say mi ankasa on ukọ western of wa mi papa ko ye koko fu ho na no kwasem achinye bia no ni say emepo ne ade a ewo sa land no so ni baabi wo ho a one kasa be di adanse say me kasa metime di adanse say amanfo ye o magency on beteste asase no because of say me citizen me gina mu ka kire me sister mo say sa de na si chai if say ade ne say yen sa ase say yen su wansuwa enti ye ma ye ni emumu nkokoko na wo asase no so no enti me feel say aban ni be ye na famu de uti mamu ni nso a wo wadwen ye wo say adwuma bia ni ho enti sabe bru sabe so. Hello.
It's you.
Aha. Uti mamuni nso a wo dwen ye wo se adwuma bi ani ho. Enti galamse na meye no. Sebie buru sebie so se adwuma ni ho a enka ye nua no your friend say Nigeria for ya. Omde eniema gugu hands free ni your friend say protector agugu fo ayiso omu pian. Sa niema ni nyina ye adwuma. Enti timamufo a sebie buru sebie so yesu sa adwumbo adwuma bia ni wona adwuma ho enti yesu nya ya famu dia yesu de beta aban na ti ama aban ne se pa wo ye no afa galamse ho no yesu nya ya famu dia ya famu dia se bia buru se bia so eni ma beto to ye.
Okay, thank you very much. Abisunya ka say resona enwa ena ye yusu mfifiri betew ne mfifiri tew so de mo waba a wo mu nyina no wo mo eha nipadua no so ho enti resona ena beboa wo ye pa na ema wo de gu wo de ye wo ho sa no mfifiri entew so ho na ma ho so ayi hwam kama resona no no nipadua no so anya ne hwe wedi ne kama resona ayo official sponsor wonim say omudumadi enti ba bia ye ju omutum fifa agudie nyina no football no mo gine mu sponsor bebre resona de ibo ne dia no wate se bibia ekoyie enti bomode ne yusu bi ifri ne ya akoyia Daddy Astos Accra TK Plaza 11A Kabale Avenue afenso udru advanced savings nhwe ni mo na obehu okashi takrade market circle womben cow bank no Kumasi Edum market Mrs. Anoche Dainwe mu boss FM hwe ni mo afre 0531 013 881 and 0244 772 599 Danin Cancer Beauty Glow ubetumi nso ahwehwe wo mo 2 shops were Doom PZ Oben Asempa Pharmacy KJT Dubai so shop number G1549 Oben Police Station KJT Gate 8 and then the din hwe mu wo CBG bank no dan no ho pe Makola Mo Accra Makola Central Market in Sonkran ubehu 0543 384 958 0543 384 958 now pe hon senka e bia o maboa. Hello
Kokwa
Minia
Asari be me do not reach there.
Right, Asari into you.
Akukwa mama muni edwa.
That's
na mentie this for watch my family nyina. Omi mo eduma dem. Na ba ne na wota ebeki. Akukwa we galam say issue ni abia. Emputi da be ni ebejaka. Akukwa galam say yes na tin so yensu. Ye the campaign for abanda de ye chi bo. This galam say yes akukwa. Eti yeni ani eye mu anase de akokwa wodwe ho a wonti ati eti yese yesu nte yesa ati na hwe yare ahodo a tiesi because of this illegal mining any ade eti nko sita be na galapti se be jaka na ba bia yetu bibia o hi bi o ho bia ni mu because akokwa wontimi mma ko tom ne tu galapti wa bra wonsi wo here so nya eti na nanom ye bese mu mfa mo 90 pom na sa galapti issue yesu nta na go kwa mefu ofidikete wesu agenda 111 abanda da biti ma ye ni abi oba mi krom trader se da die ekanwura mu akokwa ekanwura mu ye de mbele bi adroni ade uta kodu anu yiri mika abanda de ye de oba trader ekoni ni ma akara trade si ewi enso ekanwura mu nti message return minister de am president so mo mo 90 pom na trader de ne de munya nanyi operation because akokwa eyaminu mi enu sika ne de ye yi e jama na kanwura mu saga na kupa ya na sileba akwa family
right me da se mama mfa ni nyina mfansi anhra 104.5 egusu KuroYiMuNsem dwumedi esuni
sanctioned by those elected and appointed to protect our resources. Our investigation began as whispers of an organized extortion scheme kept resurfacing, with stories shared quietly among miners who speak only in cautious tones. The fragmented accounts pointed towards a task force allegedly operating under the authority of the district chief executive of Amasia Central, Emmanuel Obin Ajiman. According to the patterns we observed, miners were said to be paying 3,000 Ghana cedis for every chamfan machine, one leg as it is termed, while others pay 30,000 Ghana cedis and more for every excavator in usage. Our investigation also uncovered receipts and warrant stickers being issued to guarantee uninterrupted illegal operations when payments were made.
The whole issue, I'm on one country and the police for even though it's all my years more for less than the mind and the one that will miss it says Kadeta 700 million. So if I were to go new and when you're there, I'm not talking to our body, almost out with
These allegations demanded the deeper inquiry, but our strongest evidence came from a recorded phone call with the district chief executive. In the tape, he confirms that the task force collects monies and that it operates under his instructions.
Assembly may as DC, Mama na Sakwenya na so onkonkoye. Ona we mining desk officer. It is a Akwenya se no si yan na enye dia fine ye ka ho asem. E na meka jo say The Benya already complaints is here. Or started almost 1 month on one leg. Mine is on your many encounter. My friend, almost 20. One friend encounter. Obi a friend be anywhere, I people in their friend Malam. Make a say, and then Kokasa. They are money 2 minutes on.
It is at this point that we confirm the cash payment in exchange for Galamsey. Undercover, we infiltrated the Jakobu Township, the seat of the district assembly, posing as illegal miners operating at Eskisu, one of the mining communities. It is time for us to uncover the loot. We secretly filmed every process and navigated the community on motorbikes. The assembly is where we intend to make payments and confirm every illegal mining scandal. Our undercover operation led us to Philemon, a receptionist at the district assembly. He greeted us and with apparent willingness agreed to help us procure a warrant sticker for our Galamsey operation. He called one district engineer who would later send us contact to the mining desk officer himself.
Bajo, I am Kofobia Bason come with just take out. I am more receptionist.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Boss Macho, okay, you baby to stick out.
Okay, to stick out. Auntie, Onim, Mame, Odemo, Mame, Miss Officer in Kasawai. It is no matter the man and I'm money in the Panakasa. Why?
Alright.
Yeah, first stick out.
Hours passed as we waited for the mining desk officer and leader of the task force, a man known interchangeably as Red, Malam or Nana, who also served as the community's chief imam. Our wait was prolonged because he was reportedly out on an operation collecting the tax from illegal miners. Payments were allegedly collected on Mondays and Wednesdays alone. Later, we managed to speak with the head of the mining desk on phone. He confirmed the 3,000 Ghana cedi payments for Chamfan machines and instructed us to wait for his arrival, which was very uncertain.
One leg, you know.
Bachani.
We have a man from
the fight. A better na ke pesi e kobe pikakra.
45 minutes to 7 minutes.
Wow. Asemo. Lukina kabekwa ni ntumi nhia o. Because he be saying ke kokumase.
It's weird you would say that a state that has called, irresponsible mining terrorism is then at the same time facilitating this through what is seemingly even state sanctioned, right? Because there are receipts that are involved. It means that the state infrastructure is accounting for its support and its own implications into it. So it's a strange arrangement where the state now is in itself an illegal miner.
Our investigation points to serious breaches of the law by state officials entrusted to protect the public. Under the Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703, facilitating or providing cover for illegal mining constitutes a criminal offense.